Ouais, monsieur. Oh, ouais,
Ouais,
ouais.
je suis bien curieux sur ce trade-là. Ça va être. J'aimerais ça que ça soit le trade de la semaine.
J'ai quasiment le goût de rajouter une troisième position, mon gars.
Ouais, moi tout, j'ai pensé de mettre 4%. Hein?
J'ai vraiment le goût, là.
C'est parce qu'on est quand même un peu tôt encore
Je
sur les
sais, c'est la
actions.
seule affaire qui me stoppe. Parce que là, j'étais à 2%, puis j'irais vraiment pour un 3%.
Morning, guys.
Morning, morning.
Morning, morning. Who's here? Okay, Simon and Yassine.
Alright, so let's get the chat. Let's get the chat. Let's get the chat. Alright, so YouTube is on. Alright. Zoom is on. Chat is on. Morning, morning. People will start to join on YouTube. Perfect. Morning, Simon. How are you?
Yeah, fine, fine.
Yeah, I'm super tempted to add another position here. Oh my gosh. Alright, so let's, before people ask question, let's put this on this chart. So basically took a position here at, let's see. 158,308. 151,308 right here. Stop is 153. 153. Oh, right here. And partial TPs at 15 pips. Auto break evens at 10. All right, let's go.
We are going up, baby. Finally.
Yeah, baby. Did you enter? Hey, Mark, did you enter on the new 30 or you enter the previous 30?
I enter at 5:15.
Oh yeah, like me.
Just
Okay.
woke up. I saw the clock. It was like 5:13. I opened my cell phone. I saw GJ. New high was made. Support was formed in H1. I was like,
Yeah.
not gonna miss that trade.
That's good, man. Yeah, I entered exactly at 5:16.
Hi guys.
Hey guys, how you guys doing?
Ciao ciao. Ciao ciao.
Ciao, ciao. You just said hi, and you leaving? Oh,
TP price has to be above average trade.
I was excited for a second. I thought it was my partial TP getting hit. I was like, wait a second. What about GA? GA, I was waiting for a retest here to continue down. Yeah, so we got the retest, but now I'm waiting for that bearish candle. So it doesn't look like it wants to go down. So I guess we're coming back up with GA also. Now you see, now that's where trend lines get so stupid, you know. So now, okay, so what is it? Is it your trend line here, or is that your trend line here? It's like, what the fuck?
You saw that on Discord, guys?
What?
You saw this trade on Discord?
Oh yeah. You had the same idea, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good, man. Yeah, I saw it. That's good. All right, so we're just gonna wait maybe 2-3 minutes, and we're gonna do the top-down analysis. So, all right, so first thing first, let me welcome you guys. If it's your first time here, welcome. This is a Franglish session. Completely forgot to welcome people here this morning. I was already in a trade, so I was kind of focused. So sorry about that. So yeah, welcome. This is a Franglish session. So basically, we're gonna talk about trades idea. We're gonna analyze charts. I'm gonna be bouncing from French to English, English to French. So don't worry, don't freak out. It's normal. I'm gonna try to translate pretty much everything. And if you have any question, feel free to ask. And again, if you want to share a chart on YouTube, the only thing you need to do is click on this little camera here, and you're gonna go to the end of the link. You're gonna copy paste the \x to the end, right? And you're gonna paste that in the chat, and I'm gonna be able to look at it. Please don't say look at this, look at that. If you want me to look at something, just send your chart. Donc, bienvenue à tout le monde, bienvenue ce matin en ce merveilleux jeudi 11 mars 2021. Et vous êtes dans une session live de trading en franglais. Donc, je vais passer du français à l'anglais, de l'anglais au français. Je vais essayer de traduire pas mal tout ce qui est important pour pas que vous manquiez rien. Si vous voulez qu'on analyse vos charts, simplement envoyez. Vous allez sur TradingView, vous allez cliquer sur la petite caméra ici en haut. Vous allez à la fin du lien, vous allez copier où est-ce qu'il y a la barre oblique avec le X jusqu'à la fin. Vous allez coller ça dans le chat et je vais pouvoir regarder vos charts. Si vous avez des questions, gênez-vous pas. Alright, so we got a couple of people here coming in on YouTube. Alright, so let's start our top-down analysis. Let's start it up. Alright, so hey, good morning, Adnan. Morning, Sasha. Morning, Tom. Morning, SS. Morning, Shaheen. Hey, what's up, Zane? Zane, 16 pips up on GA. Yeah, I was really tempted to take GJ also, but GA, sorry. But I was actually looking for a retest for the short, but looks like we're coming back above the range on G. But we're gonna look at that. What's up, guys? What's up, Forex? Frank. All right, let's take a look at this here. All right, so let's start. So now looking at this, we have let's start with GJ first. All right, so starting at this on the monthly chart. Okay, so looking at the monthly chart, I mean, we broke previous high. I mean, respected previous low. So nothing much to say on the monthly. We got this monthly wick fill here. We see that black line here. This is my monthly wick fill. And yeah, this is a target. Are we gonna get there today? No clue, but this is a target. All right, so halfway to partial TP here, so that's pretty good. All right, so now, all right, so let me do this in French. Donc en français, ici sur le chart du mois, rien de spécial à annoncer, except le fait que on a brisé le haut précédent, respecté le bas précédent. Techniquement, on devrait continuer vers le haut. Et la ligne noire que vous voyez ici, c'est le remplissage de mèche sur la chandelle du mois ici du 2 avril. OK? On va enlever ça ici. Parfait. Alright, so let's move to the weekly. Alright, so looking at the weekly, same idea here. Okay? I mean, nothing much to add here on the weekly. We are, trending very, very strong bullish. So yeah. Donc sur le chart de la semaine, rien à ajouter. On est sur un trend, une tendance qui est à la hausse très très forte. Alright, so now let's move to the daily. Looking at the daily, again, trending super hard, bullish. Broke previous high, respected previous low. So this daily candle should continue up, right? Donc, si on regarde, normally I always start to look more at the daily because we do mostly intraday trade, right? So, of course, I'm looking at monthly and weekly to give me an idea, but the daily for me is really crucial. Donc, quand je regarde le daily, pour moi, c'est vraiment ça qui va me donner l'indication sur la tendance journalière. Donc, si on regarde, cette chandelle-là a respecté le bas précédent, brisé le haut précédent. Donc, techniquement, on devrait continuer vers le haut. Looking at 4 hour. On 4 hour, this is where I start putting my zone, right? So on 4 hours, if you look, I mean, we got this range here, and finally price broke the range, retested that range, and now we're pushing back up, right? So we created a new high. We'll see that on the 1 hour. So this is a new 4 hour candle that just opened, so it's normal that we're having a little hard time pushing up. We need to create the bottom wick first and start pushing back up, right? So that's why it's kind of that's why I'm gonna show you the trade, but that's one of the reason I didn't enter 3% on that trade. The only reason is because it's early, it's the beginning of a new 4 hour, so it can be tricky sometimes. Donc, si on regarde le 4 heures sur ce chart-là, c'est là que je commence à faire mes zones. Donc, on voit qu'on avait un range ici en 4 heures. On a finalement brisé, on a retesté la zone, puis là, on commence à pousser vers le haut. Une des choses qui m'a stoppé sur le 4 heures de prendre 3% sur mon trade que je viens de prendre, c'est que c'est quand même tôt et c'est l'ouverture d'une nouvelle 4 heures. Donc, généralement, c'est toujours un peu plus touché, un peu plus tricky, en tout cas, excusez-moi l'anglicisme, parce que généralement, la nouvelle 4 heures doit former sa mèche vers le bas avant de pousser vers le haut. Donc, mais sinon, ça devrait quand même bien aller à ce niveau-ci. Alright, so now looking at 1 hour. Alright, looking at 1 hour, I mean, like I said, we had this range here, finally broke, created a new high, came down, formed support at a previous at this previous resistance right here. And if you look, we also came back above this QP of 151 to 50 that was really strong and was holding here many times over. So yes, I think this H1 support is pretty nice. Nice big candle, right? So for me, pretty good indication that we can continue up. Donc ici, si on regarde sur le 1 heure, on a finalement brisé le range. On est venu créer un nouveau haut, un nouveau sommet. On est descendu vers le bas, formé un support sur une résistance précédente. Et ce qui est intéressant aussi, c'est que cette chandelle-là, en 1 heure, est venue refermer au-dessus du QP 250, qui pour moi est une bonne indication qu'on devrait continuer vers le haut. Donc, présentement, on a formé la mèche du bas. On a brisé le haut précédent, on devrait être bon pour continuer vers le haut. On a du beau, on a le champ libre à notre gauche pour continuer vers le haut. So if you look on the left, we got some clean traffic, so we should continue up. Looking at 30 minutes, I mean, same idea on 30 minutes. 30 minutes was mainly to grab the entry. So basically, out of the range, created new high, came down, created support. The cool thing about this is you can see here, let me grab the arrow here. Alright, so the cool thing here is you see this candle close with no wick at the bottom, right? So indicating there's less probability that price will go down because there's no range to go. This candle closed super nice engulfing candle, breaking above this QP. So for me, it was a good indication. So when I came on the chart, it was 5:00 something time to do my chart. When I saw it was like 5:16, I think, around there. So I took the entry right here. And yeah, so now we kind of halfway from that partial TP. So maintenant, si on regarde en 30 minutes, c'est le même concept que le 1 heure. Donc on a brisé le range, on est venu, on a brisé le range, on est venu former un haut ici. On est descendu vers le bas, formé un support. Ce qui est intéressant, c'est que cette chandelle-là, en 30 minutes, n'a pratiquement pas de mèche vers le bas. Donc, peu de probabilité pour le prix de continuer vers le bas. Et la la chandelle suivante a poussé vers le haut, formé ce qu'on appelle engulfing, donc enveloppante, si on veut. Bref, plus grosse que la chandelle précédente, ce qui est une bonne indication que le prix va continuer vers le haut. Et en plus de ça, cette chandelle-là a fermé au-dessus du QP 250, qui est une bonne indication. Donc moi, quand je suis arrivé sur le chart, j'ai fait le temps de faire mon chart et j'ai entré sur cette chandelle-ci lorsqu'elle était un petit peu en bas. Pour moi, c'était déjà une bonne indication qu'on allait continuer vers le haut. Donc j'avais pas besoin mais d'une deuxième confirmation. Puis maintenant, on est déjà comme moitié chemin. On a de la misère à continuer vers le haut, là, mais techniquement, on devrait y aller. Alright, so I guess this is for GJ. Alright, so let's see if we have any question about that, and after that we'll move to GA. Bonjour Sacha, Côte d'Ivoire. Oh, nice. Looking to buy GJ above 151,380. 151,380. Why is that? I'm just curious. Why 151,380? Yeah, I think you're gonna be late there. Yeah, 151,380. I don't know. I don't see why. But yeah, I think you're gonna be a little late. Alright, so let's take a look. Man, no one on Zoom with charts? What's up with that, dogs? What's up with that, dogs?
I'm in GJ, so um,
Yeah. Are you already in that GJ trade? Yes, as it says so here on the chart. It was way too beautiful to pass on that. And to be honest, if this trade doesn't play out, I will not be sad or mad because this is one of my favorite setup. I will take this trade hands down every day. So here a chart from Mark the stash. All right, so right in the golden zone. Yeah, that's something I forgot to talk about, but yes, right in the golden zone. High is made, support is formed in H1. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right, so let's talk about GA. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, that was pretty beautiful. So now running at 7 pips. So basically my auto break even is at 11 pips and my partial TP is at 15 pips. This is something new I'm trying this week. So I'm not securing any profit at 11 pips. I'm gonna secure profit at 15, but my auto break even is gonna hit at 11. So at 11 pips for me, it's already a win. It's gonna be break even, and at 15 pip is gonna be party, party time. We got a second chart here from Den's
yeah,
time.
I just sent you a GA chart.
Oh, GA chart, perfect. That's good.
Yeah.
Let's take a look at GA here. All right, so GA, waiting for resistance to be formed to retest the low. Yeah, low is made, golden zone. Oh yeah, that's good, man. I actually didn't look at this very carefully on GA because I was excited about GJ. But yeah, I think that makes totally sense. Especially that GA kind of broke the structure now. So we are flipping in a bearish direction since we broke that low here. Now we are in bearish trend. So a new low has been formed. And yeah, I think it makes totally sense for price to continue down. But let's take a look from the monthly. Donc, si on regarde sur le chart du mois, so let me start in French. Donc, si on regarde sur le chart du mois, donc la tendance maintenant, bon, ça on voit est à la hausse. On a consolidé ici et là, tranquillement, pas vite, on essaie de continuer vers le bas. Jusqu'à date, cette nouvelle chandelle du mois n'a pas brisé le haut précédent, n'a pas brisé le pas précédent. Donc, présentement, on est un peu incertain, mais il y a une belle mèche à remplir ici. Donc, so if you look at the monthly, 9 pips now. Looking at the monthly, this candle, yeah, it's looking good, man. Looking pretty good. Sorry, I'm getting distracted here. Looking at my MT4. So basically, this monthly didn't broke previous high, didn't broke previous low yet, but we have a nice wick to feel on this monthly to the downside. So something to keep in mind. Looking at the weekly. Alright, this thing's looking good now. Let me. Alright, give me 1 sec, guys.
Alright, I just moved my stuff at my auto B just triggered.
Oh yeah, whoa, nice. So you had a better entry than me then.
Yep.
You bastard.
J'ai rentré dans le genre de petit doji avec
Yeah. So I'm missing 2 pips for break even. So I'm at 9 pips now. Alright, so let's continue here. Looking at the weekly, I mean, same idea. This weekly first went up and rejected really hard. So again, we got this wick fill to do on the weekly also. So something to keep in mind. And we had this little gap here to fill that got filled on the weekly. Donc si on regarde sur GA, donc principalement on a brisé le haut précédent, mais on a rejeté très fort. Et maintenant on a tourné bearish. Et on a rempli le gap qu'il y avait à remplir. Puis on a aussi une belle mèche à remplir ici sur le chart de la semaine. Looking at daily. Alright, so looking at daily here. Mostly we're trending bullish, but now see we were at a daily resistance and we rejected. So next candle broke previous low, respected previous high, but closed doji, and that's yesterday. And today broke previous low, respected previous high. So technically today should continue down, right? Yeah. Donc si on regarde sur le chart de la journée, donc on était à une résistance journalière ici. On a créé une nouvelle résistance ici. La chandelle d'hier a respecté le haut précédent, a brisé le bas précédent et a fermé comme un petit doji. Si on regarde la chandelle suivante d'aujourd'hui, on a respecté le haut précédent et on a commencé à pousser vers le bas et on a brisé le bas précédent aussi. Donc techniquement, on devrait continuer vers le bas sur GA. Looking at 4 hours. So looking at 4 hours right now, I mean, like I said, if we break this on 4 hours, we're going down for sure. But let's say we respect the zone, we might coming back up. Okay, so it's very touchy here. Donc si on regarde sur le 4 heures, this is where I start to put my zone, right? But if we break this, if we close under on 4 hour under this zone, we're gonna be looking at bearish for sure. But if we respect that zone, we might start to push back up again. But it's a very touchy situation here. So I just don't remember if I did it in French or not. Oh well. Let's move to 1 hour. Alright, so looking at 1 hour, basically we were trending bullish. Now we broke the structure here. Breaking this zone indicate now that we're coming down. Of course, if we're coming back above this range now, we're going to be looking at buys again. But I think that we create a new low and price is trying to come up, create resistance, and push back down to retest that low, to be honest. And if we look on 1 hour, this is the golden zone, should be right around, oh shit, it's up here. Oh no, hold on, wait a second. I didn't do that right. Oops. What the hell? Alright. So we got this zone right here. Alright, so let's see what happened with this. Let's remove that. Alright. Should be good. Donc si on regarde sur le chart de 1 heure, donc on était principalement sur une trend qui était à la hausse, donc une tendance à la hausse. On a brisé cette zone-là. En brisant cette zone-là, on a renversé la tendance vers une tendance baissière. On a créé un nouveau bas. Et là, le prix va vers le haut pour former une résistance, probablement dans cette zone-là, qui est la golden zone, pour retester ce bas-là. Par contre, si on commence à former un support ici, dans cette zone-là, ben là, on va regarder probablement encore des buys. Mais je crois sincèrement qu'on va venir former une résistance ici. So looking at 30 minute, same idea as 1 hour, same concept here. Yeah, nothing much to say here on that 30 minute. So, le 30 minutes, même chose que le 1 heure, rien de plus à dire. Même idée que le 1 heure à ce niveau-ci. Yeah, I think that looks good. So, come on, GJ. What's up, GJ? We need another push. What is up? That thing looked pretty good. It went to 9.2, 9.4 pips, if I'm not wrong. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, since it went to 9 pips, I'm gonna move manually my stop to break even. Um,
Ou on pourrait pour être safe, pour la prochaine achat, on pourrait quasiment drill notre stop en dessous de la achat courante.
yeah, that's actually, you know what? Because when I press SL to entry, it actually moved my line. And when I saw where it was, I was like, all right, let me put it under that H1. So
Yeah.
I'm gonna be risking maybe like 2 or 3 pips. So I'm gonna be trailing it under that H1 candle.
Yep.
Just to give it a little bit of room. Yeah, so by doing this, I reduce my risk, and yeah, so basically stop now is somewhere around there. What is it? What is it? Stop is at 277. 277. Whatever. So I'm risking like 3 pips or so. It's a little lower than this on my MT4. Oh, that's yeah. Yeah, hold on. Wait a second. Oh yeah, I put it under 30 instead of the H1, sorry. So
Ça devrait être pas mal en même place, pareil.
ouais, ça va se ressembler, c'est juste une petite affaire plus bas. Yeah, so here. So this one is at one stop loss 255. Alright, so 250.
Alright, we going.
Here we go. So now risking 5 pips. So yeah, it's pretty good. So this 1 hour, yeah, looking pretty good now. H1, nice bullish candle, should continue up. Just need to make sure this H1 closed with a wick.
Yes.
Oh, did you just partial TP there, dude?
Yes. Yeah.
Good job, bro.
That's a good sound to me, mate.
Yeah, very good sound.
Damn. I love this sound.
Yeah, it's the best sound.
I love much more guitar sound, but.
All right, trade with the pack here with FX Dogs Academy, trading live on YouTube also with our Zoom people. All right, we are in a GJ buy and it's looking pretty good right now. So we should hit that partial TP. Yeah, best sound. Yes, guitar. Dude, you're talking about your guitar song? Man, you can play some guitar, my friend.
Thanks so much.
I just can't believe. Just like, I was listening to it again yesterday night. I was like, shit, this guy is really good.
I appreciate a lot. Because behind that, there is a hard work as trading for
Yeah.
you.
Yeah, music is really hard.
Alright.
Alright.
Close.
Yeah, that's a pretty nice close.
Real bullish.
Yeah, pretty nice close. So now this new candle should come down, create that bottom wick, and push up again.
I trail my stop under SU under the 270.
Okay.
But no, do you suggest me to put up BA after mention my partial TP?
Oh yeah, a partial TPs, yes. As soon as you hit partial TPs, yeah, put your stop at break even.
Thanks.
Alright, so 9.6 pip here, so missing 1 pip basically for my auto break even to trigger.
Come on, GJ. Give me my money back.
Yeah, you like that one? Fuck you, GJ, give me my money back. Alright guys, so we got 122 people here on YouTube this morning. Let's give a like to the stream and smash that like button, guys. Alright, let's take a look at the chat here. What else we got here? It's pretty good. We broke previous high. I just don't like the fact that it pushed up first. I prefer when price goes down first and after that goes up. But okay, we'll see. Let's see here. All right, let's go back to the chat here. Can I ask you what's your confirmation for yesterday's second trade? Saw your IG GJ. Oh, there was no confirmation. It was based on experience. That was based on news. Yes, it's something I saw in the past when a news happened, and there's nothing to back it up, like solid. It's just like a tweet or something that people saying, nothing really solid. Most of the time, market will correct that price. Plus, CPI news came on very positive for the USD, meaning that GPY safe haven is gonna get some weakness, right? So yeah, that was it. Hey Sasha, even if you have a doji, it does not concern you. No, a doji for me is like kind of a write-off candle. So it opened and closed at the same place. So for me, it's like if it wasn't there. I'm in this trade too, and with the way my week's been going, it's going to reversed. Oh, I mean, you should keep being positive like that. That's gonna help you. I mean, come on, dude. Tell US 30 to go down, Ironman. Oh, I don't know. I didn't look at US 30. I don't trade US 30, so I don't know. But I don't even have it here on my thing. But I wish you the best. On point. All right. How did you manage the risk in this trade? What do you mean? I just explained it. I just said I'm trading my stop. So yeah, my risk now is what, 5 pips? Yeah, and originally it was like what, 14? So yeah, so right now my RR now suddenly is 2.87, so that's why I think RR is like, it just depends, just I don't look at this too much. Hey Sasha, even if you have a doji on the 30-minute, it does not concern you. Did I just answer that? Yes. Did it enter on 30-minute close? Yes. I mean after. I was a little late in the entry. Actually, it kind of worked good for me because it wasn't a retracement. So, why isn't your target on GJ pre-high? Why isn't your target on GJ pre-high? Pre-high? I don't know what you mean. But my final target is going to be this high. But my partial TP is 15 pips. Let's see. What's my name on IG? This is my name on IG here. Rename. And there we go. So you got it right here. Alright, so let's see next question here. Looks like GA is rejecting QP 500. Let's take a look. 500. Oh yeah, this one here. Yeah, I think that GA is gonna form resistance right here, and it's gonna be looking good for probably a short to retest that that low here. And now I'm gonna have to move this new support now right here. I'm gonna keep in mind this, that might be a area of problem, but yeah, new low has been formed now. All right, see here.
Sorry, Sasha, can I ask you something?
Sure.
About the GA, when you can switch.
Oh yeah, GA, yeah, sure.
Um, um, you consider a problem even if we are now clean candle on pushing down. You mentioned before, if you look left, yeah, there is a support.
Yeah, this one.
Do you consider this support to noisy for eventual retest of the new low? Even if we have clean candle after this noisy.
Yeah, I mean this for me is my most recent traffic here to the left. Okay,
Sorry
but
for my English.
what?
No, sorry for my poor English.
No, man, you're good. You're good. I'm the one having problem with my English. Here. So basically, yes. So this is the most recent traffic here on the left. So that's what I'm looking at. But yes, I keep in mind this area here. I can see that this can be a zone of problem in this area, right? So I keep that in my mind. But I'm gonna base my trade based on that here.
Okay. Okay. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Let's see. All right, what else? What else we got here? Sasha the Great. Sasha the Great, I gained back my whole losses of the week in just one trade with you. Oh, man, that's pretty awesome. That's pretty awesome, Adnan. Very good, man. Man, I love to read those. Any analysis on gold? Oh, yeah, you can look at it, but send your chart. We're going to start with your chart and I'm going to look at it. So, Shaheen, send your chart on gold and we're going to look at it. GJ playing games like always now. Yeah, it's okay. You know, gotta be patient. How do you manage risk on GJ, Sasha? I guess I already answered that. GG is being affected by Euro GPY strength because of Euro news later. Oh, maybe. I didn't see that. Hey, Sasha, even if you have a doji on the 30, what the hell, dude? I answered this question 3 times already. Alright, let's take a look at Ironman. Ironman's chart here. Oops. Did he close with this is what? Oh, this is the daily. Did he close with longer target? Yeah, because you are here at the daily resistance, right? Pushing down. Yeah, it should make sense. You should at least get to this support. But I don't know about getting to this support though. But again, I don't trade a lot of US 30. I mean, actually, I don't trade any US 30. So for me to say anything about that, it's going to be kind of tricky. But from just what I see here on that daily, yeah, I like this double top also. For me, yeah, you know what? It makes sense. Makes sense to continue down. Especially if you break this. If you break this zone, yeah, totally you're going to get this and probably further down. Yeah, pretty good. And to be honest, this is the first chart on US 30 that I look for probably the past, I don't know, 6 months. So, so I didn't. I cannot do a good job on it. Sasha, what's good, buddy? Hey, what's up, Rages? Hola Electro, 40 pips on GJ sell this morning. Oh, well, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Let's see. Very good risk management. Thank you. Close GA at 25 pips as it is entering the golden zone. Zane, yeah, perfect, man. So you use that golden zone as a target. It's pretty good. Sasha, can you show how to draw the golden zone, please? It's basically from the swing low to swing high. Okay, oops, sorry. Swing low to swing high. Swing low to swing high, kind of, right? So, something. Oh, sorry. Swing low to swing high. What am I saying? Yeah, because you didn't see any retracement down from there to there, right? Retracement happened here. I got my entry at 151,380. Well, that's pretty good, but I think 380 is pretty late. Yeah, it's pretty late. Should be good, but I think that's a late entry. I think you got some FOMO there. Yeah, you gotta be careful, guys. No FOMO, man. Alright, we got chart from Yassine here. So sorry guys, so sometimes I don't see the chart on Zoom, so make sure you open up your mic and you tell me.
Yeah, I'm gonna resend it right now.
Yeah, I don't know why it's not working. By the way, welcome, Yassine. First chart with us. Excited. Can't wait to look at it. Hi bro, I got stopped out at break even. Why price? Find difficulties to continue even if left side was traffic. Oh, it's normal. It's the beginning of a new 1 hour. So you need to understand how candle prints, you know. So usually the first half of the candle, so if you're looking at that 30-minute, the first half of that candle is going to go down, create a bound wick, and after that it's going to start pushing in our direction, right? So that's exactly what it's doing right now. So it went down, now it's starting to retrace. As you see, the second half of the candle is about to start. Alright. Oh, yes, and did you send it back? No. Okay, sorry. Oh, here we go.
Yeah, I sent it now.
There we go. Awesome. Oh, you took it too.
Yeah,
Pretty good.
I took it too, but I entered late.
Okay.
I entered on the 30-minute. It would have been nice on the hour.
Yeah.
But I mean, looking at the hour, it still looks like it could continue to go up.
Oh, yeah.
Sure, we're like, is that a safe spot, safe stop to put, or should it be just below the previous hour now?
Yeah, I traded it under the previous hour.
Okay, so that'll make
Just to reduce my risk, right?
Okay, cool.
Because anyways, if price comes down over here, I mean, at this stage, now trade will be invalid, right?
Yes.
There's better chance for price to continue down. If we break this low, I mean, this buy would not make sense anymore. So that's why by doing this now, I'm just reducing my risk.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah. Pretty good. Alright, let's see here. Got my entry at 150. Okay, so we see that. Hey Sasha, could you look at this trade I took earlier and give me some input? Yeah, I can take a look at this. We can take a look at this, baby. Baby, I want it, baby. Man, I wish I can be a rock star like Francesco, man. Shit.
Yeah, great.
Shit, this guy can play music, man.
We got a bunch of followers yesterday.
Woohoo! Nice. Yeah, we're gonna do this again because, okay, guys, let me pause this for a second. I need to show you something. We have a student here, and I want everyone to go give some love, right? So, if you like anything you see on this stream, please do me a favor and go give some love to this guy. Because, I mean, I think the music he's doing is just amazing. So go to this page on IG, the Fuller Tones official. So do me a favor, guys, go here and give those guys some loves, man, and go on Spotify. So basically, the Fuller Tones officials. This is Francesco, one of our student, that has a band that's pretty. I mean, not pretty. It's really, really, really good. And to be honest, it's just like I wish I can play it on YouTube, but I can't because they're gonna stop the stream. But if you look on Spotify, let me put Spotify here. So if you go on Spotify, you see the last song I actually listened was right here. I cannot play it, but yeah, this is their last album. So who is it? That is someone's uncle, right?
It's my wife's uncle.
This guy is so cool, man.
He's 82 and run 40 kilometers per day.
Holy shit! This guy's in better shape than me. That's pretty good, man. Hey, you guys need to listen to this. It's pretty amazing. Pretty amazing. All right, sorry, I got distracted here.
Thanks, Ashley. You're so kind. Thanks.
No, I mean, I'm not doing this just to be, to be good with you. It's just like I really, really enjoy your music. It's just like it's not a joke. It's just like I really like it.
I know. Yeah, I'm too kind.
All right, so this is gold here. All right, so okay, so this is gold. We got this double top here. All right. Strong bearish candle to break previous support. Enter trade on retest of the level with clear candle to the left, aiming for that 1732 TP hit. What do you think? I think that was a nice counter trend trade, but I think I will be looking for buys here instead. But yeah, I think it was pretty good. You knew that it was risky, so probably you didn't extend your trade and you closed full here, so it makes sense. Because you know you're getting to that support and there's a big chance for price to reverse and keep pushing up, right? So yeah, I think that makes sense. I like that. I actually like that trade. All right, so now back to our trade here. So you see the first half of the candle actually was printing down, and now I'm at 10.7. Let's get it, baby. Come on, I'm missing 0.3 pips for that not partial, but stop loss break even. Come on, baby. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. And the reason why now I'm doing 11 pips, auto break even, and partial at 15, it's because I went back to my journal and I realized that most of the time I look at all my winners and I would say that 7 time or 8 time out of 10, I was actually getting to 15 pips also. So I was like, all right, let me try something. Let me keep my stop loss at break even at 11 pips. But I'm not going to be secure or anything until I get 15 pips. So it does make a huge difference here. 11 pips here, right there. I guess I'm missing a tiny thing for the spread. Let's get it. Almost. Here we go. Thank you very much. And this is, let's do a video because some people think I'm just trading demo. So let's show them it's a live account. So here trading trade with the pack here live on YouTube. So I'm just gonna hide my account number, but this is live account right here on Black Bull Market. Thank you very much. You see the numbers flipping right now. So this is a live trade, and stock just moved to break even. There we go. So I'm gonna post that. Alright, so let's move this stop in profit a little bit.
Ok, Sacha, t'as déjà pris un trade, toi, là.
Ben ouais, tu vois pas l'écran?
Nice!
Allez, toi, 5 heures, Guillaume.
Ouais, t'es en retard, là.
Fuck! Ah, c'est pas grave.
Alright, so now next step is that partial TP at 15 pips. So let's see, we went to 11. So missing 4 pips basically. Alright, so let's see. Let's continue in the chat. Let's see. Nice structure buys. You secured 10 already. No, like I said, I just explained my new, I don't know if you can call that strategy, but way to secure profits. Jason Lee, my analysis on. Oh, what happened to the chat here? I lost something. Hold on, wait a second. You're saying this wasn't US 30? Am I? Oh, that was GA. Because you say US 30 before. I was not looking at it. I'm so dumb. Sorry, dude. Yeah. Oh, now, yeah, GA, yeah. Yeah, and if you look at GA on 1 hour, you see it break the structure also. So looking good for that bearish. Yeah, definitely. Now it makes totally sense now. Yeah, sorry, dude. Still early this morning. Yeah. Here, all right. So that's good. Where I was with the chat. Yeah, sorry, dude. Sorry, Iron Man. I was like, yeah. People's gonna be, man, this guy doesn't know how to read, man. Why should we be on the stream? It's like last time someone sent a chart. That was funny. Someone sent a chart and it's written on big letters right in the middle of the chat. The chart. It says JPP, GPP, GPY, and I'm trying to zoom the left corner here because it was kind of small, the chart. I was trying to zoom the left corner to see what pair it was, but it was written in big letters in the middle. So yeah, that's me. Lunatics, right? Yeah. You see, you don't need to be smart to be doing this thing. Holy! Holy! Wait a second. Partial TP is getting it just about now. I'm missing 0.6 pips. It's set up at 463. Actually, if I take a picture right now, the wick is actually touching that pick line.
Yeah.
It's touching it. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm at 15 on one position. Oh man, it went to 15.1. It didn't trigger. 15 point. There we go. Sweet. Booyah! All right, let's go. Ah man, this is an amazing morning. Yep, that's good, man. So I wish I can play the anthem, but we can't. Cause last time I played the Who Let the Dogs Out anthem, man, YouTube kind of blocked my stream for copyrights. So, but that's pretty good. Pretty happy with that trade. Let me set up a second partials. Did I close 90% or 80? Oh, I closed 90%. So.
Closed the 75% of my two positions.
Ooh, look at this guy. Yeah, I closed 90.
I am so freaking happy right now. It feels good. I had a pretty rough start of the week.
Here we go.
Back on track, baby.
All right, so let's get back to that chat. All right, so let's see here. Kessim's like, wake up, sir. Talking about that that GA chart. I thought it was US 30. Yeah, I'm late in the chat. Sorry, guys. Yeah. I took 85 pips on GJ from yesterday. My best trade this month. 7 DMC, bro. That's pretty awesome. Good job. Wow, just recently found this channel. Could you take a look at my gold buy? Yeah, sure, man. Hey, welcome, Kevin. If it's your first time, welcome, welcome. N'oubliez pas que si vous avez des questions en français, vous pouvez les poser aussi sans problème. Donc, voyons voir ce chart-là. Let's take a look at this here. Yeah, yeah. I'm just about to do my Instagram post now. Um, you know what? Let me do this
Bro,
first. Story.
strong bullish momentum, lower time
Where's my
frame,
video
still
here?
weekly and daily momentum are bearish.
Here trading what trade with the pack here live on YouTube. So I'm just gonna hide my account number. But this is right live account right here on Black Bull Market. Thank you very much. You see also let's show them it's a live account. So
Bon,
here
on roule
trading
à
what
15-16 pips live, là.
flipping. Oh yeah, we're good. We're good. A live trade and
Je
stop.
pense que je mets même pas de TP, on s'en va à 180 à matin.
Flipping right now. So this is a live trade and stop. Just move to live on YouTube. Flipping right now. So this is a live trade and stop. Just move to break even. Flipping right now.
C'est le meilleur feeling d'être même pas 6h30 puis d'avoir déjà fini sa
Oh,
journée de
ouais.
trading.
Yeah, like Mark said, this is the best feeling when it's not even like 7 o'clock and your day is done. You know, this is perfect. I like it. I like that. Especially that today. Actually, today it's actually perfect that this happened today, because at 8:30 I have an engineer coming at home.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, I have an engineer coming at home. Man, this thing is crazy, man. Just to have the engineer coming at home, it's like $2,000. Bam.
L'argent en architecture, mon gars, là, je suis de même.
2,000 just to have a visit from the engineer. So after that, he needs to do the plan. He needs to do everything. It's just like holy shit. So
Payer la bague dans les petits doigts, c'est pour
so that's actually good, because this trade actually paid that engineer. So that's pretty good.
Repeat it tomorrow.
So no, not almost missing probably like 300. Depends on that runner, but right now probably missing like probably missing $300 now to pay that engineer. All right, so let's see here. You just recently found this channel. Okay. Oh yeah, sorry, man. Let's get back to your chart. Sorry. This is Kevin. All right, so Kevin. So Kevin, this is gold. All right, 30 minutes. Strong bullish momentum in lower time frame. Still weekly and daily momentum in bearish. All right. London created a high to be retested. I'm pretty impressed. This is the first time you see. You're probably following someone else that has the same style, because we look at the same thing here. So that's pretty good. New high has been formed. Support form on 30 minutes. Enter when the H1 candle closed bullish, which also created support. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. The only thing that's scary with that H1 is that tiny wick here on top. That's the only thing I don't like, but I think that should flip your way. Let's go take a look at it. Let's go take a look. Was it on... Hold on, where was it? This is on 30 minute, right? So let's take a look at it on 30 minutes. Oh, as you see, this play, I sent that into our Discord, so I guess, yeah, this play out. It's pretty good. I didn't even realize. This is my previous zone from yesterday, so we're not gonna be looking at this right now, but let's move this right here. Let's move this right there for now. And yeah, now though, the scary part is this candle actually just broke previous low, and still respected previous high. So at this stage, I don't know. Let's take a look at 5 minutes. 5 minutes, it's just ranging right now. But once we break this zone here, you're gonna be good to go for buys. Oh, now I really don't like this. Now you got this rejection here. Yeah, for me, I will be closing partials for sure on that trade right now. If it was me, I don't want to tell you what to do. If it was me, just to be safe, I will be closing some partials. Reducing my risk, right? But gold is tricky, man. Gold, that's why I don't trade gold. It's just like it's wild, man. It's like a wild horse. And there's some people's gonna say it's easy to trade. Awesome, and I'm super happy for them. For me, I don't find it easy. Um, yeah, so now this trade is running like 16, 17 pips in profit for runners. Pretty good. All right, so let's take a look here. I took 85 pips on GJ from yesterday, my best trade. Okay, I look at this. Here, 70 MC, your join. Want to see. Little late here. Can you explain why you took GJ trade? Was it because it formed support when the 930 candle closed bullish and clean candle to the left? Mostly yes, that's what it is. So let's recap this. But the cool thing on YouTube is when you miss something, you can actually rewind and watch it again. So you can watch the beginning of the stream. That should give you a pretty good idea on why. Yeah, I don't like this. Wait a second. Oh, this is a new candle. Okay, so because I was saying price coming down, I didn't realize it was a new candle. It's what, 6:30? Oh yeah, new candle coming up. All right, so that's great. And you see, I'm just gonna do a little how you call that, side note here. So basically, I start to wake up at 5 a.m. maybe now. A couple months ago, probably like 10 months ago, I started waking up at 5 because previous to that I was missing move a lot between 5 to 6. So I was like, all right, I'm done missing those move. I'm gonna wake up 1 hour earlier. I'm gonna grab those move. And to be honest, recently, maybe 2 weeks ago, I was about to say, you know what, screw this. Market is not moving anymore around those times. It's been like months. I didn't pick up a move at 5 or 5:30 or 6. So I'm gonna go back to 6 a.m. and waking up a little later and have more sleep. And now this morning just confirms me that, you know what, I'm gonna keep doing this. So it's pretty good. Even if it happens once in like 10 days, perfect, you know. All right, so let's get back to this here. What was the question here? Oh yeah, so why we did enter. Okay, so why I entered, it was pretty simple. Let me grab the, and this I'm gonna translate in French also because I want to make sure everybody understands. So basically what happened, price was kind of a big range here. Price came up, retest, form support, push back up, create a new high right here. Most of the time, 80% of the time that a new high is created, it will be retested. So instead of trying to buy around here on top, I'm waiting for price to come down, form support, at a previous support. So if you look at the left, same place, in the golden zone, right? With a nice engulfing candle, right? Nice big engulfing candle on 30 minutes, and it's also a big candle on H1. So when the next candle opened, I took an entry on the small retracement here, and yeah, took 2 entries and went up to TP, partial TPs. So yeah, that was it. Nothing fancy, pretty basic. Let's do this in French now. Donc si on regarde pourquoi on a pris ce trade-là. Ok, très simple. Si on regarde le GJ était... Oups. Sorry. So GJ était dans un range ici, dans un grand range. Finalement, le prix a brisé. On a fait un retest, formé un support. On a poussé vers le haut. On a créé un nouveau sommet. Généralement, 80% du temps qu'un nouveau sommet va être créé, il va être retesté. Donc, à place d'attendre puis de regarder pour un buy ici, j'ai attendu que le prix descende vers le bas. OK? Puis, j'ai pas attendu. Là, ça, c'était cette nuit. So, I didn't wait for this. It was tonight. But if it was like when I was looking to the market, that's what I would be waiting for, right? Donc, j'ai pas attendu pour ça, c'est parce que c'était pendant que je dormais, right? Mais si j'étais devant le chart, j'aurais attendu que le prix descende. Il a formé un support au même endroit, si tu regardes à gauche, qu'un ancien support. Directement dans la zone golden, on a formé un support ici. Et cette chandelle-là est une chandelle qu'on appelle engulfing ou plus grosse que la précédente, qui indique une belle indication qu'on devrait continuer vers le haut, qui était aussi une grosse chandelle en H1. Donc, j'ai eu ma confirmation, j'ai eu plusieurs confirmations, donc j'ai entré 2 positions dans le retracement vers le bas. So, yeah, I guess that was the trade. Let's do this instead, clear everything. There we go. All right, so let's see here. Do we have any more question here? Whoa, there's many comment I missed, I guess. Let's see. Okay, a little late here. Let's hope some NY Open push GJ like a bitch. Yeah, let's get to that final target. Actually, let's move this TP here. I'm gonna close one position in full at 151.497, and I'm gonna let my other runner run to this wick here, which is 151.650. All right, so let's see if we can get it. Get it now. Get it now. So this candle, if this candle starts to break the body of this candle, probably going to be exiting one of my runner in profit and let the rest run. But my stop's at break even now, so yeah, forgot to change that, but yeah, stops and break even. So now my final target, I'm going to place a line here for the next, okay, let's move this zone then. So this, we already won. We closed 90% of our trade. Next partial TP is set at 650. 650. What? Hold on, wait a second. No, 497. 497. Kind of right here. Just before that QP, right? Because I know there's a big chance that this QP is going to be rejected, so I want to secure another 50% here, so I'm going to be closing one of my positions. All right, so let's see here. I close everything at 10 pips. Hit my target for today, Yassine. Man, Yassine, first day at FX Dogs Academy, and this guy's getting a win. That's pretty good. Pretty dope. Let's go. Let's go. Did you start looking at the course?
Yeah, I actually went through the course. I'm almost done it right now.
Wow, that's pretty good. By the way, I'm going to be uploading more stuff. I'm going to be doing some QP 2.0, Fibs 2.0, Trend 2.0, because I'm finding that there's a lot of people confusing like overall trend with actual like inter-session trend, right? So I'm going to be trying to develop that a little bit more. Jeez. I swear this wasn't vodka. Ooh. Easy copyright protected? Oh, we're talking about Francesco. I guess so. I'm pretty sure he is. Can you look into mine? Sure. Oh, let's... All right, so this is GJ. Hey guys, we got 120 people here, and we were to 200. We only have 66 likes. I mean, you should give a like to the stream. Please smash that like button, guys. All right, so now let's take a look at that GJ. So GJ, oh yeah, you got the same trade here. That's pretty good. Price came up, down, first entry. Whoa, you got a pretty good entry here. Whew. You took that entry, so I can re-enter later. Rerun. Oh wow! So I don't know what was your confirmation. Maybe you were what on a 5 minute or 1 minute. I don't know. But here, taking an entry right here, I mean, just based on that H1, it's kind of super risky. But it is what it is, man. It worked your way, so pretty good. Um, let's see. Damn, you just push so da 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 da. What hours do you trade? Between I wake up at 5. Usually I'm in front of the chart at 5:10, and so between 5 and 9 usually. Yeah, that's what I do. Sasha, funding talent. How does it works with the payment part as target to do? If I make $2,000 in a 25K challenge account, do they automatically pass on my earning? Oh, I'm sure if you watch the Eric, if you watch the video on Funding Talent website, you can go on my IG. It's actually I have a link for Funding Talent. It's gonna bring you directly to the video explanation. It's gonna break down everything you need to know. And after that, if you have any specific question after watching that video, and I also have a video on YouTube you can watch. So after watching those videos, if you have any specific question, just send me a DM. It's gonna be my pleasure to help you out with that. Yes, 15 pips. Yes. All right. IG, call me in my Instagram, bro, for talk for that. Oh, BBK. Oh, okay. I think have you in my Instagram. Okay, you guys talking to each other. Good. Can you explain why you prefer GJ over so many pairs to trade? Okay. I like GJ because it moves fast, has a lot of volume. And there's no USD in it. So I like pairs that doesn't have USD, because USD for me is just like it's brutal. It's just like anything that happened in the world, if they're doing business with the US, which is many countries, your technical analysis can go to the drain in a second. So that's why I don't like USD pairs. GJ, yeah, I mean a lot of volume, moves pretty good, and GA is kind of the sister of GJ. It moves pretty much the same way, so I really like it also. So this is my two favorite pair. And the other thing I like is during NY session, only one of the two is impacted, right? One of the two are open, so let's see. Nice catch, Sasha. Oh, thank you very much. I guess I'm late. How do you celebrate on French a win? Oh, we say félicitations. Would you not expect to continue up to that high? Oh, yes. Yes, I expect that. That's why I keep a runner. Damn, man, I woke up late, so catching GJ, yeah. Gotta wake up early, man. Let's see here. I mean, nice trade, thank you. 15 pips because of you, thanks a lot. Oh, 7DMC got 15 pips also. Good job. So make sure you give a like to the stream, guys. Alright. Do you only trade? And don't forget, if you didn't subscribe to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. You'll know, and activate notifications so you'll know next time we go live. And by the way, next time I go live is tomorrow night for Forex Talk Over a Beer. So Forex Talk Over Beer is pretty cool. What we do is I open up a beer with you guys, we drink, we chit chat about Forex, I break down trades, I answer some Q&As, and we're just chilling, right? So it's pretty fun episode. And I'm telling you guys, if you want to rewatch every Forex Talk Over Beer, you're going to gain a lot of knowledge, because there's a lot of stuff being said in that Forex Talk Over Beer. Even sometimes if I'm a little tipsy, still makes sense. So, alright. I found you in Raja channel. Oh, Kevin. Oh, thank you. Yes. Which broker do you use? The link is in my description. I use Black Bull Market. Yes. Black Bull Market is pretty good with me. Really good spread. Best customer service I ever had, to be honest. And I tried probably like around 10 different brokers. No, not 10. Probably 7. I tried 7 different brokers. Yeah, seven different brokers. And this is the best by far. I'm not saying that's the only good one in the world. I'm not saying that, so don't freak out. I'm just saying, for me, it's the best. Especially with Canadians. with Canadians, the thing that they have also is that you can actually transfer money by Interac. So that's pretty cool because I can do a deposit and 2 minutes later it's in my account, right? So it's pretty sweet. No fee. So that's good. Um, Thanks, Sasha. Thanks. Okay. Hi, Sasha. What does? Hold on. Wait a second. What is this? Close off. Okay. So you see again, first half of the candle print the bottom wick. Second half of the candle starting to push up. So hopefully you guys see that it happened. Like the previous candle did the same thing. This candle just did that. Um, Regis, out of the stream, what language do you speak the out of the stream? Which language do you speak the Empre English or French? Oh, you mean in life? Oh, yeah. So I speak mostly, like, yeah, our family is mostly French. Friends are mostly French, but we are in an area that it's bilingual. So at work, I speak a lot of English also. So yeah, I mean, the city in Montreal is really bilingual, right? So you can go to restaurant and speak in English, and doesn't really matter. But yeah, in general, I speak mostly French. So that's why I'm having problems saying some words, and I notice with my accent sometimes there's words you'll be like, "What the hell did you just say?" Yeah, that's a Franglish talking. So sorry about that, but it comes with it. um, all right, so let's see here. Hi Sasha, what does that tiny wicks on the bullish H1 signify? The tiny wick on which one? Oh, maybe on the previous chart we were looking at. When there's a small wick, it means that there's less room for price to continue, less range, right? Um, you use some add-on on MT5? No, it's Magic Key. It's Magic Key that has a pip count on MT5. Actually, I need to post this also. Give me one sec. I'm gonna mute myself because I don't want to get a copyright problem here. So I'm just gonna mute this and I'll be right back. There we go. All right. Sorry about that. All right. So let's see here. Let's continue in this chat. I was a little confused, but great. Okay. Thank you. Can't wait to join your course. To join your course secured. Oh, Elisa, yeah, you're welcome. And by the way, on the course now, we have a new option for payment. People can pay in 3 months if they want. So just trying to help people out. So yeah, that's something new that people can use. So you can go to the website. You can find the website in the description. And yeah, that's a new option I just add a couple days ago, and already a couple people actually grabbed that option. So I'm happy that it can help people.
J'adore à tous ceux, man, qui investissent leur argent dans l'éducation à la place de le ditch dans le market, man.
Good comment, Mark. So Mark just said, basically, congrats to anyone who invests money in themselves instead of just throwing money in the market. You know, so that was not from me. That was from Mark. So I think that was a pretty good comment.
Yeah.
Good morning, Sasha. Took the short on London opening, looking for break and retest. Oh, nice. Nice. Hi, Sasha. Good morning. Good morning, Yuan. Can take a look at my trade idea? Sure, I can. Let's do it. Especially that we have time now, that we just won our trade. Sells with a, this is what this is. Oh, UCAD. Oh, okay. Sells with a close below support entry in a daily H4 H1 in 30 minutes. Okay, so let's take a look at UCAD. I'm just curious because I don't look at UCAD a lot. Right here. Yeah, it totally makes sense. Look at this here. Let's move this zone right here. Yeah, man, you got some nice clean traffic here. Whoa, on UCAD. If this goes, man, you're gonna have an awesome trade on UCAD. Yeah, nice break and retest here. Yeah, I think this close, it's gonna be amazing on 30 minute. Pew wee. Yeah, looking good, bro. Got some clean ass traffic on the left side. Yeah, that's gonna be pretty nice, to be honest. Pretty nice. Yeah, nice trade here. That is for Yuan. So now, what's up with this candle? H1 still look good, but it's rejecting this QP. God damn.
Ouais, 0.500
Yeah. That's why my next partial was right under it, like at 497.
Yeah. What's up, Jimmy?
Oh, Jimmy.
Bonjour.
Let's take a look at something here.
J'aimerais GA Satch, il va former résistance en M30 possiblement.
Let's take a look at GA. Oh, looking good here. Gonna get resistance form probably in H1 in 30 minutes. Yeah, I think J is gonna look good for sell. But I already have a pretty good win here on GJ, so I'm not gonna be looking at taking a second trade. Not gonna play with my profits. Hell no. Alright, let's take a look. But it actually definitely looked good though. If I wasn't in a GJ trade already with a runner, I would probably looking to take sell here. All depends on how it closed. I want to make sure there's a wick here, but I think it can make sense. Hi Sasha, good morning. Can take a look at my trade idea. Yeah, well, okay, we took a look at that. What is my Instagram? My Instagram is right here. If you look, my name here, it's right there. The name on Zoom. And actually, I also have the link in my description, I think. And if you go on YouTube, so guys, when you ask something, just make sure you did some research first, okay? Because you can find most of the information, you can find it by yourself. Because if you take time to look at the channel, if you look this banner. Some people ask me, what time do I stream? The schedule is right here. And if you look, my Instagram is right here. You can actually click on this, boom, straight to my Instagram page, right? If you go back, you want to join the academy, click on that little dog here, and boom, takes you to the academy.
Moi, je cherche encore le lien pour ton OnlyFans, puis je l'ai pas trouvé.
Pour mon quoi?
Pour ton OnlyFans.
I don't even know what's OnlyFans. Everybody talked about it. I don't even know what it is.
Everyone knows what it is.
What the hell is that OnlyFans? I have no clue, dude. I'm old.
Sorry, like you just said, we'll let you do your own research.
Yeah, that's it. I'll do my own research. I don't even know what it is. I just hear people talking about it. It's just I guess I'm gonna have to look for it. Okay. So fuck my chart. Oh, Josie Riss. I don't know. Man, there's many message. So if I missed your chart, just post it back, and I'm gonna look at it. Can you elaborate my explanation about my trade earlier? Okay, let's take a look. Copy. Oops. Yeah, guys, there's many message here. So if I missed one, sorry about that. Just repost it. Don't freak out. All right, so let's see here. GJ, actually, I enter by here. Oh, that's your new chart. Okay, I see. Re-enter one. Okay, so that was your first position here. Okay. Okay, that's perfect. Yeah, that's good. Hit SL here. Okay. Hit SL here. My bad for too tight SL. But the thing is, it was kind of early entry, to be honest. This was really early entry. You want to make sure you wait for that candle to close. You know, if you wait for this candle to close, you put your stop here, and price never even came close to your stop loss. You know, so sometimes it's better to wait for candle to close. I mean, not sometimes, most of the time. Sasha, can I have your Trixie referral code? Oh yes, sure. It's right here. Hold on, where is it? Trixie. I'm pretty sure if you go here, I don't know if they fix it, because yesterday some people told me that my link wasn't working anymore. If you go on Trixie, where is it? Get access to my trading journal. So you can look here, and where's the link? The link disappeared? That's weird. Where's the link here? Okay, let me close this. Let's do a new search. Let's go Trixie. Go to trade board. Oh, okay, so I guess the coupon is right here. Coupon code. This is something new. I didn't even know about that. I saw that recently, so I'm gonna paste it in the chat here. So I think that gives you what? It gives you, friend gets a 50% discount for the first 2 months. That's pretty cool. And they also give you 15 days for free also. So that's pretty good, if I'm not wrong. Don't quote me on this. Alright. Oh, guys, I see message deleted here on YouTube. It's probably because you're trying to post the full link of TradingView. If you're trying to do this, YouTube's gonna delete it automatically. You need to press on this camera. You need to go to the end, copy paste the \X to the end. That's it. Check out GA now. Let's take it. I'm looking at GA now. Oh yeah, I'm late in the chat, I guess. GA looks to be a bearish engulfing from GZ. Yes, I'm telling you this, man, it's super. Yeah, I just need to close with a wick in 20 seconds, and that looks really nice. Yeah, it does look. Yeah. I might, yeah, you know what? It all depends on how it closes. No, you know what? I'm just going to paper trade this.
It looks nice.
Oh, no wick at the bottom. I would not get it. Well, I mean, if I was getting it, I was getting it with a 50% risk, right? Probably with a 0.5%, something like that. Because there's a 50% chance. But I still like this rejection here in the golden zone. So I still think this can go down. No, I'm going to paper trade this like if it was, I'm going to use like 0.5% right here. and I'm aiming 15 pips.
Vraiment tempted.
And right here, so it's a 1-for-1. Yeah, let's paper trade this. So this is a paper trade, guys. I didn't took this one.
On vend-tu live ou c'est quoi qu'on fait là?
Donc, principalement, ce que je regardais pour le pound avec le dollar australien, on voit ici, on forme une belle résistance avec une chandelle qui est plus grosse que la précédente, qui est quand même une bonne indication qu'on va continuer vers le bas. Par contre, il n'y a pas de mèche au bas. Donc, ça veut dire qu'il y a 50% des chances qu'on ne continue pas vers le bas. Il n'y a pas d'espace pour le prix pour continuer. Donc, c'est pour ça que rentrer dans une position comme ça, c'est un peu plus risqué. Donc, si j'allais dans ce trade, je prendrais un 0,5% pour réduire mon risque. Et ceci, c'est pas un vrai trade que je prends, c'est ce qu'on appelle un trade sur papier, entre guillemets. Dans le fond, c'est juste pour voir si mon trade fonctionnerait, puis je vais le journaler après pour le garder dans ma tête. So I'm doing this paper trade because I'm going to be journaling this to make sure I remember this next time. I want to see how it's going to play out. But it looks pretty good. And the only other thing also, we got this 500 QP right in our face, right? So that's the other reason why I will risk less. I would risk 0.5%. But I think that it's still gonna go down, even if no wick. Let's see here. Vix, hi Sasha. Can you kindly look at my chart, please? Sure. Boom, boom, boom.
Vu que sur GJ on a close bearish à 30, j'ai décidé de refermer un petit peu de partial. Just to be sure.
T'avais pas pris ton entrée sur H1, toi?
Ouais, mais le M30 il est quand même très stable quand même.
Ouais, je le laisse aller. Surtout qu'on, ouais, non, je pense qu'on va continuer. Malgré que c'est vrai que la chandelle en H1 est vraiment plus petite aussi.
Mais elle est bullish.
Ouais. Puis on a brisé le previous high, ouais, previous low. Ouais, je pense que t'as raison, man.
Tu sais, je me garde quand même un bon runner, mais.
Ah ouais, parce que toi t'avais closé juste 75.
Ouais.
Ouais, c'est ça, moi j'ai closé 90, fait que tu sais, c'est moins peu.
Shit.
Ouais, j'ai closé 90 à 15 pips, tu sais.
Tu peux bien se payer un ingénieur à 2000$, esti.
Chris, tu voulais pas venir, man. Chris. Alright, so looking at this is NAS 100. And this shit was melting, man. I know some people in our previous group that's trading NAS 100, and this shit was going down. But now it looks like it's picking back up again. Psychological level, yes. Long once this level is broken, yes. I think if you wait for that break and retest, you should be good, man. But the other thing is, I would wait for price to come down, form support, and push back up. That can be a great option.
It's not gonna come down though. Les checks de stimulus sortent cette semaine. Right?
Fait que tu penses que ça va aller vers le bas?
No, it's gonna go up.
Oh yeah, that's it. Yeah,
The tech's gonna go up.
yeah. Stimulus check, like Phil says, stimulus check should push price up, right? So, but if it's either break and retest above this, or price come down, form support kind of right around here, and push back up. Hey guys, can we get to 100 likes? We are at 84 right now.
I'm gonna go like.
J'en ai donné deux, moi. J'ai mis mon like de la job puis mon like.
C'est bon ça. So guys, if you're on Zoom, go on YouTube, just give a like to the stream. If you're on YouTube and you didn't like the stream yet, smash it. Let's get to 100. Alright, so let's see here. GA looks to be bearish engulfing from GZ. Yes, bro, we support you. Please stream live on YouTube daily. Oh, thanks, man. Very appreciate. But I do trade live every day, but with students privately. So, yes. And Ayush, I don't know if you're trying to post your chart because I see message deleted. It's maybe because you post a full link. So if you post Okay, so if you post the full link, yeah, it will be deleted. So you need to post just the part of the \x to the end. Sasha, what do you think about previous 4-hour candle which closed bearish? The current 4-hour candle might be creating wick to the upside to go down. Do you consider this on GA or GJ? Let's take a look at GJ. Oh, you're talking about this resistance here on H4, yeah. Maybe. But I don't think, I mean, we are pretty strong, bullish momentum, so that looks more like a booby trap candle. Like this one, went up, created this bearish candle, came back right up, Same thing here. You see this? 4 hours, bearish, one bearish, boom, go back. Same thing here. One bearish, go back up. Same thing here. One bearish, go back up. You see here? Bullish, bearish, boom, bullish. So when you are in a bullish trend, hard like this, I don't know. So you always need to go back on the chart to see what happened previous to that, I'm here in Brazil following you live. Oh, Brazil, man. What's up? What's up, Brazil? That's cool, man. All right, 93 likes. We're missing 7 likes. 7 likes, baby. Come on, let's get it. Sasha, can you check my chart, please? Sure, Tom. Let's get it. Boom. All right, if we can form resistance here, this is what GA 30-minute. Okay, if we can form resistance here with a 30-minute close engulfing candle, I think we have a good confirmation for sell. It will be the third touch of the trend line. Ooh, trend line. Okay, hold on. Let me remove this smash button here. Okay. So yeah, I don't really look at trend lines, to be honest, because it's so random. But yes, I see that. Totally makes sense. I think you have a great idea here. Hopefully it plays out. Let's take a look at it. So now first, this is 1 hour, right? I like this 1 hour, to be honest. Like on 1 hour, we see this big wick rejection, small body candle here to the bearish side. I can see some bearish pressure coming down. So it's pretty good indication. Here. So we should, first couple minutes we should print that top wick and we should melt after. Let's see. Hey Sasha, can I have your opinion on this? Sure. What is it? Hold on, wait a second. You got the X, all right. Hi Sasha. Hi Sasha. I want to know your opinion. This is what GJ. Okay. I want to know your opinion. If this 30-minute close as a weak bullish candle, would you take an impulse entry if next 30-minute broke the high, anticipating to continue moving up? But is it no volume time yet? Yeah, correct. You're right on it. It's not, for me, in my rules, I will not take impulse entry right now. I will wait for 8:30, because as you see, man, those candles are getting smaller, right? So volume is fading out.
No problem. I saw that it's gonna impulsive around 10:30 yesterday, and I want to see some.
T'as pris un impulse à 10,5?
Yeah, genre proche du London Close hier.
Ok.
On va virer dans la face vite.
That's what she said.
Genre vraiment vite.
Kim, tu nous as pas dit ça?
Oh, look at this
Je
thing.
l'ai dit. J'ai dit hier, j'étais dans mon 1% and I was down 0.5% from the GJ buys. Then I took an impulsive GJ sell.
Puis hier, c'était dégueulasse en plus.
Ouais, exact.
All right, so looking at GJ now, you see this booby trap candle on 30 minutes.
Yep.
So,
Si on forme support, on pourrait quasiment add.
ouais.
Le gars, il est tellement greed aujourd'hui.
Ouais, j'y pense.
C'est jeudi ou c'est pas jeudi?
J'y pense. Yeah,
That's nice.
if we form support here, yeah, it can be tempting to add position, but the problem is I have this QP, right? And we're getting closer to this resistance, so I'm not going to do that. Actually, I got my partial TP about to get it. My second partial TP, getting close to it. All right, so let's see. Next message here. Did I just look at Tom chart? I'm not sure. Let's see. Was it this chart? I can't remember. Okay, perfect. We looked at that. Excellent. All right, so now Jason. Let's take a look at Jason's trade. All right, we got 100 likes, guys. Thank you very much. Oh, we look at this too. Awesome. I'm up to date. Gold analysis. 90 watching, like 93 go. Oh yeah, but we were more than that at first. We were like probably around 200 people. Yeah, I didn't look at gold today. What's up with that? Nobody sent chart on gold. Oh yeah, one person I think. So I think gold, yeah, now gold needs to form support. Let's see here something. This is 30-minute, right? So this zone is, let's take a look at 1 hour. Yeah, exactly. This zone is right here. Whoops.
Come on, GG, les gars. Hey, ça fait quand même 2 heures qu'on est dans le trade, Satch.
Ouais, je sais, c'est fou, hein?
On est rendu des swing traders.
So yeah, so new high has been formed here on gold. So now looking for support to be formed to retest that high. I think that next target can be this wick fill for sure. Here on 1 hour, let's place a line here for this wick fill. And you got all those wick to fill here also. Got 4 hours.
J'ai jamais vu GG dans une uptrend de même, c'est incroyable.
Yeah, 4 hours makes sense. Now let's go back to 5 minutes. Yeah, I think if this forms support right around here with a nice engulfing candle in 5 minutes, I think it can make sense for price to continue up. Yeah. But if we go under this zone, under this golden zone, and we form resistance, it's gonna be a good sell because you got some clean traffic. So basically, if you break this, let's put it blue. So if we break this zone, I think it can be a nice sell. Look at this to the left, it's pretty nice. But I don't think it's gonna break. I think it's gonna go back up. Thanks, Asha. You're welcome, Tom. Luke. Hi, all second day in Zoom chat. Feel like I jinxed everyone yesterday when GJ went through the floor. Yeah, that's okay, man. Yeah, Luke's second day, Yassine first day. Awesome, man. Awesome. Luke, did you have time to look at the course?
It's not.
Maybe he's not there anymore. And guys, don't forget to set up one-on-one. Yep, just working my way through it, enjoying it so far. Amazing. So guys, if you want to set up one-on-one, make sure you finish the course. Make sure you identify 3 strengths, 3 weaknesses, and I need you to bring 1 winning trade and 1 losing trade. And we're gonna look at what we need to work. What's up, GJ? What are you doing, GJ? GJ is just ranging now. At this 15-minute time frame. Yeah, I just need to be patient. I mean, my stop is in a little bit of profit, so worst case, it's gonna be good. Actually, let me move it a little bit higher. Here. And here. What the hell? I'm trying to move one of my stop a little higher. It looks like, I don't know. Looks like I can't.
Margin call.
That's weird. Just trying to move it. If I move this one, I can move one of my stuff. The other one doesn't look like I can move it. Oh, it worked. Thanks. Jimmy knows his stuff, man. So yeah, so now stop is at stop is now at 331. So I cannot move this square, but 3 3. Well, it worked now. So this is my new stop, this red line. The what?
I hate it when you used to write the number when you do a stop loss, like you set it up by yourself. Hate that. It's so slow.
All right. Pretty happy with that. Trade this morning. Let's take a look at GA.
Yeah, nice trade, man. I was working out when I saw it, but nice trade.
Look at this guy flexing his workout.
Well, yeah, I don't want you guys to think I wasn't actually up. I was working out.
Hey man, yesterday I wanted to train,
Yeah,
and I was not even able to. Man, everything hurts. Everything hurts.
That's good though.
Yeah, so Clap, yeah, open up a beer. But I slowed down my beer a lot, man. I think yesterday I only had one beer. The day before also. And usually I'm like 3 to 4 big cans of microbrewery, right? So yeah, I slowed down. I'm slowing down a lot, so need to get in better shape. Yep, so today is gonna be instead of 15-minute workout, it's gonna be 30 minutes. So, but I still feel it though. Just like, holy. Only 3 months without training. 3 months. And it felt like it's been like 3 years I didn't work out. Shit. Actually, I stopped in November. So, December, January, February. Yeah, almost. Yeah, 3 months and a half, I guess. I don't know. Let's see here. When a candle closes with no bottom wick, do you consider it safe again once the next candle break the low, or will you still be risky because there was no wick? It's still risky because there's no wick. And as you see, this on GA is having a problem, and you got this QP also right here. So if I was taking this trade, I was using only 0.5% of my risk. This is a live trade. Do it now, do it now. Dun, 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 dun. Gym's open there. Still shut here in the UK. Oh, gym's actually open up yesterday, I think, or 2 days ago. But I don't train at the gym. I train at home. I have Last year I trained for the full year at home. I got a couple apps that I use. I actually posted it on Discord. If you look in Discord in the 90-day challenge, I posted the app I use. I use one app which is basically body weight, so I can do all the exercise with no equipment. The other app, you can do whatever you want. You can actually use body weight. You can use dumbbells. You select what you have as an equipment. You select how much time you want to train. You select which muscle you want to train. You press enter and actually build your program for the time that you want to work out. So this one I use it with my elastic band. So I say elastic band, 15 minutes. I want to do, let's say, biceps and triceps. Boom, enter, and build up the training. So it's kind of cool. The other one I use is Beachbody. This is mostly for cardio. And yeah, I got a step and elastic band. That's the only equipment I have. Well, exactly, Luke. You're so right, man. Luke says that sounds good. I have bands. Think they're quite good if you know what to do with them. Exactly, because there are people saying, "Oh, elastic band is like it's not real training. It's too easy." Trust me, it's because you don't know how to use it. Because man, elastic band can be really hard, man. If you know how to use it, phew, it can be as hard as dumbbell, man. It's can be the same.
Ouais, mais si tu veux qu'il revoie, il va faire un 20 minutes training Wilson Fraser.
Ah ouais, mais je le connais, ouais. Ah, je le connais.
Tabarnak.
But the one I like on Beach Buddies, the one called Core de Force. Core de Force is actually like a jiu-jitsu movement, kickboxing move, box movement. So it's a lot of punch, kicks. You know, it's kind of fun. I feel like I'm punching the market every time I train. It's like yeah. You know, take this, GJ, bam. You know.
Ça va tes coups de pied?
Ooh, shot.
Ok.
Can do Daniel Sam. Whoa. I almost kicked my table.
Il va faire ça, il va faire genre, qu'est-ce qu'il fait lui matin?
What's your Discord link? Oh, the Discord's only for students. Sorry, man. Sorry. But I have a Telegram. Oh, by the way, Telegram, I'm gonna start again posting in it. I'm gonna start posting charts in Telegram. I kind of stopped for a couple, maybe 2 weeks, but Telegram, the link's in my bio on Instagram. I'm gonna start posting again some charts and trade ideas. Do you ever trade silver? I notice a lot of traders stay away. Why is this? I cannot answer that. I don't trade it. I cannot answer why traders stay out of it. No clue. I personally focus on two pairs. I actually focus on one pair mainly, which is GJ, and GA is my second pair, right? So it's kind of my mistress. And yeah, I think that most of trader don't trade silver because they focus on another pair. That's it. And most of the traders that have success, they don't trade like 20 pairs. You know, they'll trade maybe 1, 2, 3 pairs. You know. That answered that. Perfect. Better than dumbbell for some things if you know how to use them. Oh yes, you're so right, Luke. So right. And actually, you can go on Amazon and you can order those elastic band package for pretty. It's not that expensive. I got one package that like from £10 to £50, and I think it was like 40 or 50. And I can combine those elastics, so I can put a 50 with a 20, and suddenly I have like 70 pounds, right? So it's pretty good.
C'est nice parce que ça prend zéro place à genre entreposer. Là. Tu crées ça dans un
Ouais.
tiroir, that's it. Là.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, Mark is so right. Doesn't take any room to put it away. You know, just like you can put it in a drawer, and you know that's it. It doesn't make noise when you drop it on the floor. You know, with dumbbells, if you're on the second floor, bam! You know, it's like, so, can be
On
brutal.
utilise quand même pas mal ça, les grimpeurs. Là.
Ah, les élastiques?
Ouais.
Ah ouais, nice. Ouais, il y a beaucoup de mouvements, puis c'est pour ça que j'aime beaucoup cette application-là que j'ai, parce que il y a des, tu sais, je savais pas c'est quoi les mouvements à faire avec ça, fait que je pense que c'est the best thing. And both apps are free, guys. So, and I can't wait for summer to come back, and I want to start. I love running. So I love running like a 5K, 7K. But I run with intervals. I don't know. Can you say intervals in English?
Yeah.
Intervals.
Yeah.
Um,
Ton GA
is G.
G might be G trade, paper trade might be
Oh,
yeah.
what
Might
about
be
this?
kind of forming support at 500.
Yeah, you see, that's why when there's no wick, it's kind of
Kind of like what?
risky, right? So you need to put that in your note, right? So this candle's about to close in 3 minutes. So if this close like this, if you are in this trade, you want to reduce your risk, probably close half or maybe close full. Donc si vous êtes dans ce trade-là présentement, gardez en tête que quand il n'y a pas de wick au bas, c'est toujours plus risqué. Si cette chandelle-là ferme bullish, tu veux faire ça de fermer peut-être partiellement ta position, peut-être 50% ou peut-être complètement. Oh yeah, so look, you got the same kind of package for the elastic band. That's pretty good. Yeah, and they're not super expensive. It's pretty reasonable. All right. So we got this on GJ. Man, I've my runner's running for the past like what 2 hours.
Yeah.
Shit.
La patience.
Man, I'm starting to become a swing trader now.
Yeah.
Shit. Usually I'm in and out pretty fast.
Non, mais slow. Là.
Yeah, but there's no volume. But it's 7:20, right? So 7:30. I mean 7:30, and yeah. What about this H1? Is H1? Yeah, H1 still bullish, small body, but. Anyways, like I said, my stop is in profit now, so this red line is my new stop, right? So.
That's what I did also.
Just to make sure, because I'm missing like just couple dollars right now on my when I look at my MT4, I'm just missing couple dollars for that magic number for today. So for making sure I get it, I just move my stuff in profit a little bit. So it's just it's just gonna be psychological, right? So yeah.
Même dans mon accédé des jardins, je m'arrange tout le temps, mettons, pour remplir mon char pour que ça soit genre flat, puis genre payer ma carte de crédit pour avoir genre flat.
Je suis tellement de même, man. J'ai vraiment une phobie des chiffrons, man. C'est pour ça que les QP, moi, ça marche bien avec moi dans ma vie. Ça. Ah ouais, non, c'est. Yeah. Oh well. Sasha, you have a sort of target profit each day? Kind of.
Juste gagner à chaque jour.
8000 piastres.
Kind of. I'm trying not to look at specific money target because I did that before and it kind of screwed up my thinking and my way to manage my trade. So now I'm just looking at pips, but sometimes, yeah, when I look at my numbers, I see, I'm just missing a couple dollars for this. Let's move my stop in profit and
As
But-
long as you don't do it the other way, right? Like you're at $2-3 above, and you're like, ah.
Yeah, I just like, yeah, fuck it. Yeah. So, but yeah, if you look to a specific money target, I think this is my personal opinion. I'm like, again, I don't say I have the absolute truth, right? But my personal opinion, I think your head's gonna make you not take the right decision, because you're focusing on that money target, right?
You're gonna chase the amount of money instead of just trading the market because it's not every day that we have like clean moves like this. Sometimes you just have to be happy with 10 pips and that's it.
That's it. Man, I was so close to get a third position in that trade, man.
Oh Jesus. Si ce setup-là avait été à 7h30,
Yeah.
8h, j'aurais crissé genre 4-5% facile.
Yeah. The only reason, and Mark said it well, just like the only reason why I actually didn't enter that third position, it's because it was early. And lately, like in the past couple of weeks when I entered early trade, I got either stopped or faked out. So I was like, shit. So that's why. Do you close all your trades before the weekend? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I close all my trades before the end of the day most of the time.
Yeah. Sinon, on se rend même pas à l'après-midi.
Yeah, it's really rare I get to the afternoon actually. Really rare. A couple of times I did it, but really rare. Is it safe to enter UCAD? Could you please check? Is it you send your chart on UCAD? Can't remember. Let's take a look. But safe for me and safe for you is two different things, right? So you gotta enter with something that you feel safe. But I think you got a pretty good retest here on that 30 minutes. Yeah, I think this thing should go down. But I think UCAT should give you a proper retest though. Did it give it to you on 15 minutes? Oh yeah, 15 minutes give you a pretty nice retest here. But the thing is there's no wick here at the bottom of this 15 minutes, so riskier. There's no range for price to continue down. So yeah, if it was me, again, this is the same situation as GA, probably with a lower risk. But yeah. La 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 la. What about GA? Oh, this closed bullish, so for me I would be closing for sure 50% of my trade and maybe full, you know, if I was in the trade. Did H1? Yeah, H1 broke the body of this candle, so doesn't look good. Personally, I would be out of this trade. Sasha, GJ candle closed above 480. 480. 480. No, it didn't close above 480. Sasha, GJ candle close above. Oh, if it closed above 480 maybe. Yeah. Yeah, I think if we break this high, especially on H1, basically, if you break this high on H1, it should continue up. But again, we got this QP right here, you know, which is kind of tricky. But with volume coming in, like around 8 o'clock, 8:30, we should break this. We should break this QP. But now it's still early, you know, it's 7. It's only 7:30, man. Shit.
Yes, ça fait un petit bout, là.
Seems like
On peut closer une belle bullish encore, man. On y va, là.
it seems like I've been like trading for the past like 6 hours. I don't know.
Yeah.
Phew. Let's go, GJ. Let's go.
We just broke the last H1 high, so.
Did we?
Yep. And look at the down wicks also. It's pretty sick.
Yeah.
Down wick, down wick, down wick. You just moved.
Yeah, sorry. Look, wait.
Restart.
No, wait. Okay, do it.
So yeah, we got a down wick. We have a higher low, higher low, higher low, higher high, higher high,
Yeah.
higher high, higher high.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Textbook market structure right there.
Here we go. Those arrows are brought to you by Mark the Stash. All right, so GU. All right, let's take a look here. Sasha, GJ can look. Okay, we answered that. GU analysis. Yes, Davison, just send your chart. We're gonna look at your GU analysis. Would you mind taking a look at GPP NZD 1 hour, looking to short a retest of 336 level. I think it might get to 273. Sorry, no chart to share. Yeah, I only take a look at pairs if you send a chart, you know. I mean, I want to, you know, we need to do this together, you know. It's just cannot be the only one working, you know. So I need a little work from your side, and we're gonna take a look at it. I think it's fair, you know. I think it's fair. All right, let me go fix something. Let me. I think the kid is right there. So let me be. I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna mute myself.
Il va aller pousser son enfant dans la rue.
Ouais, exact. Il va le crisser en bas de. Il joue sa butte de l'air, il va le crisser en bas. Non, c'est pas vrai.
On joue au rôle de la montagne.
Ouais, c'est ça. Putain, on a c'était TikTok. Check bien ça, mais que je revienne. Partial TP va avoir. All right, all right. Did we hit it? No?
Non.
God damn.
Je suis sûr qu'on est en même place que v'là 10 minutes.
God damn it. Man, I'm so happy though, because if it was me like 2 years ago, I would be in that GA cell. And even if I had one win before, I would be in a second trade, trying to get more money. But now I understood that if I have a winner, I stay out, save my profits. So pretty happy because now I would be stressed. I'd be like, oh shit, I need to close 50% in drawdown. Now this thing's eating my profits. This is bullshit, blah, blah, blah. That would be me. That would be me 2 years ago. Trying to grab another move and, now I'm just chilling, I got my
2 years
win.
ago, you would have put trend lines, MACD, RSI.
Oh yeah, add, yeah. If it was me 2 years ago, oh yeah. Yeah, add RSI, MACD, fuck, man. Yeah.
All the good stuff.
Yeah.
And yeah, I just took a look at Forex Factory, my calendar, and we have at 7:45 monetary policy statement of the euro. I know that's not really correlated with pound, but maybe we are waiting for that.
Oh, maybe. Maybe.
That's true, Luke. Indicator sucks.
Oh yeah. What a waste of
Bye,
time.
guys.
Hey, bye, Francesco.
See ya tomorrow.
Grazie, ciao, good morning.
Grazie.
Ciao, ciao.
Man, Guillaume, j'y donne mon adresse à ta blonde ou quoi? Ou elle vient me porter ma bouffe ou?
Non, pas ce matin.
Ah, ok. Je l'ai vu arriver avec quelque chose, j'étais comme, no, there's no way, là.
Holy.
Fais attention, là, il niaise les blondes beaucoup ici. Là. Il niaise
J'étais comme, there's no way qu'il amène son déjeuner un deuxième matin en ligne, là. C'est comme, donne-moi son nom, son adresse, on va toute la marier, là. C'est...
Un matin, j'ai eu le droit à ma demi-banane puis ma petite galette. Là.
Oh.
Ah, tu me fais monter finalement?
Damn,
Ah, ça va dans les boys.
Look at this guy. Shit, man.
Tout en live.
Man,
Donner un good win today.
man, passe-y l'anneau au doigt. L'anneau au doigt.
Oh my god.
Mais là, il est content parce qu'on n'est plus trop sur son
Yeah.
ces temps-ci.
Look like I'm gonna second partial TP here.
Yeah.
Finally broke the high on that 30 minutes, so now looking good. Finally. Jesus. Are we gonna get it?
Volume coming in.
That would have been a nice second entry, but I didn't like that the last M30 just broke the low
Yeah.
of the bearish candle.
True.
So yeah. I think what I'm hoping to get from this group course is to get more.
Spread est plus gros.
Oh, Luke here message. I think what I'm hoping
look is pretty nice.
what I'm hoping to get from this group course is to be more objective, so I can look at potential setup and think which boxes it ticks. So engulfing candle, close above QP, and etc. And then I can take the emotion out of trading and be more. Yeah, totally, man. That's pretty good. Yeah, 100%, 100% right. Man, what's up with? Man, there's volume coming in on GJ, man. This
Yeah, man,
candle
my
is
spread is,
moving pretty quick.
My spread is moving too.
Yeah, spread is.
Ouais, il est 7h45, fait que je sais pas si ça peut être corrélé ou faire du sens, mais.
Holy, this thing is pushing. Holy.
Les ECB ont commencé à parler pour ça, parce que
Ouais.
ça des notifications. Là.
Ah ouais?
Ouais. On va aller trouver ça dans les news.
ECB leaves key rate.
Ah, c'est la story enceinte, mon ego.
Here we go. ECB leaves key rate unchanged in March.
C'était 8 heures.
So that should be positive. Yeah, that should be positive because they didn't change anything as expected, right? So I guess they were waiting for that.
La garde, elle va parler. Right?
on GJ.
If you look at EJ's probably pumping. Yeah, exactly. That's what I thought. Bam!
Ils sont en train d'aller chercher un rabais.
Ouais.
Check GA.
Oh, this thing reversed. Holy!
Boom, boom, boom.
Yeah, if it was me, that was me giving a second chance to my trade right there. If
T'aurais pu juste close half au.
Ouais.
au
yeah,
drop.
if I was closing out, yeah, that was the other option. But if this close engulfing, that I will give it a second try.
Même si c'est le push d'une news.
Ah ouais, parce que
Ça va closer.
ouais.
Parce qu'il reste encore 12 minutes. Là.
Ouais, parce que ça c'est une vraie news, tu comprends? C'est une vraie nouvelle. C'est pas juste on dit que ça. Tu vois, c'est ça la différence. C'est que ça c'est une vraie nouvelle, c'est qu'ils changent pas les taux, tu sais.
C'est pas un cap, c'est un fact.
Non, c'est ça. C'est pas genre, on pense qu'on changera pas les taux. On a dit ça. Mais là, c'est pas on a dit ça. C'est ça. Tu comprends? Fait que c'est ça la différence avec les nouvelles qu'il faut comprendre, tu sais.
It's written on stone, baby.
Yep.
Puis les commentaires sont très dovish sur Euro Down.
Euro down. If euro's down, the pound should be up, no?
Nah. Je pense pas que c'est que.
Negative correlation.
No, you're right.
Faudrait
Even-
checker
even
le
with the-
GBP, où.
Even after Brexit, I don't know. I think after Brexit, if euros goes down, pound should get strength. But I don't know.
Tu veux savoir, tu peux te donner la correlation between GJ et EJ si tu veux.
Ah ouais?
Allez sur Bloomberg. On va l'utiliser ici, maintenant.
Oh man, this
Tu sais,
thing.
on paye pas 10 000$ par mois pour le fun. Là.
Ouais, c'est ça.
C'est 2000 US.
C'est-tu 2000 US?
Par mois.
2000 US par mois.
Bullshit. 2000 US par mois pour ton truc digital avec le pouce.
Yeah, pour
Puis il ouvre une fois semaine. c'est-
Ah, bah mec, man.
Non, mais j'allume à tous les jours. J'allume à tous les jours.
Jesus.
Fuck, on est pas tout riche comme toi, Phil.
Mais non, c'est le travail que tu payes pour, c'est pas moi. Hein. C'est le travail.
Nous autres, on est allé au fil, il est plein aux anges.
2000 US par mois, c'est insane.
Hey, fuck.
C'est nice, though, comme tu peux voir vraiment.
Ben oui, t'es tout dans le monde. là.
Je peux envoyer un DM à Bill Ackman si tu veux, il est sur Bloomberg. Un petit DM.
Oh ouais. On peut faire ça.
Ouais. Ou un Buffett, il est sur Bloomberg aussi.
Ah, mais je suis sûr que Warren Buffett, je sais même pas comment ça marche.
C'est pas lui, mais c'est genre son assistant.
Ouais, je te garantis que c'est pas lui qui met son pouce dessus.
Ça donne un code, là, ça donne un code. Ça, tu peux rentrer.
Nice, parfait, j'ai vu YTC. Ok,
Non,
parfait.
non.
Pauvre Phil, man.
Non, ça prend quand même mon password, mon username pis tout.
Phil, c'est quoi ton password encore?
On sait pas que ton password c'est Phil Miller.
Ouais, c'est ça. C'est Babe69.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, Miller. Alright, so this GA trade is going on down. So, congrats if you hold that trade. Congrats, you're now probably like 5 pips in profit.
Eh non, mais non.
Yeah, no, you're 9 pips.
Depuis qu'il broke le QP, là.
Well, this is on H1, sorry. This is on H1.
Je suis genre 3 clips.
But on 30 minutes,
On broke du QP.
Oh, Jimmy est dedans, guys. On va cheer up for Jim.
so if you took
Ouais, on est jeudi, on fait les fous.
if you took it on the 30 minute and you hold it, you're now at 8 pips profit. So congrats.
Close to break even.
Boom, boom, boom.
Boum, boum.
Il me semble que le service déjeuner il est lent à matin.
Ouais, je me disais la même affaire. M'a texté la waitress, voir.
Ouais, c'est
Oh my god.
man. Tu sais quoi faire le pourboire, man?
Ah oui. C'est classique.
C'est bon pour les pipo points.
Une petite claque sur les fesses, là.
C'est trop pour.
Petite claque sur les fesses.
You guys are insane.
Smack that. Da-da-da, smack that. Da-da, smack that.
Ok,
Ah non,
pas t'en prendre, man.
on est à la job.
Oh, 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 oh. PTP is about to. Second partial is about to get hit. Come on, baby.
Man, après fucking 3 heures.
Come on, baby. Let's do it. Let's
J'étais
do
à
it.
17 pips.
Let's do it. Do it. Do it now.
Man.
Come on. Come on, baby.
Donc, dans la dernière année, le pound yen puis le euro yen ils ont une corrélation de 54,2%. So, they still have something, mais c'est pas significant, là.
C'est pas à se péter la queue dans les mains.
Non.
J'adore. Ouais, c'est je peux pas croire que tu viens de caler ça, man.
Let's see.
Faut faire attention, on est sur YouTube, hein.
Ouais, mais on parle français, ils comprennent.
Ah, c'était encore drôle, man. L'algorithme est assez intelligent, man.
Ah ouais.
Oh, there's a negative correlation between the pound AUD and the euro JPY.
Negative correlation? Oh.
Puis le pound AUD puis le pound JPY, ils ont 6% de corrélation là-dessus. So,
C'est tout?
C'est pas gros.
yeah,
Hey, ça, c'est pas à se taper à la graine dans la joue, man. Alright, let's take a look what we got here. Let's go, man. H1. Man, having a hard time getting this. Man, I was so close. Shit.
Tu sais, on n'a même pas touché 500 encore, là. On est juste en dessous.
But it's not even 8 yet, so.
Yeah, that's true.
Hey guys, what do you think about depositing money every week to trading account? I have a small account and I want to build it. Should I keep depositing money into the account or just work with whatever I have?
I would keep depositing money until you reach a certain amount. Moi, c'est ce que je pense, man. You know, I still win, I still lose, but I still deposit a certain amount, so I have like a base amount.
Yeah, I think that's a good thing. If you give yourself an objective of you want your trading account at this much, you know, and yeah, you can keep depositing on it, and until you reach that amount, and after that you just compound, right? So
Mais
yeah.
en même temps, si t'es pas constant, ça sert à rien parce que tu vas juste en mettre,
Ouais.
et tu vas faire du sur place.
Right. I was just about to say that.
Yeah.
Because if you just keep on pumping money and you're losing, you're never gonna get it. Yeah, so it's a running circle, so it doesn't make sense. So yeah, so if you're not constant, it's not really worth it to add money on it. So especially if you're getting 3 losses in a row, what I suggest people to do is go back on demo account, go win 3 in a row, not 1, 2, and no 3 in a row. So if you won 2 and you lost the third one, start from scratch. You need to win 3 in a row, and come back on live market and see after that how it goes and start, building your account.
Sinon, le chien de rue de JA, ça va bien là. Comment? Avec le open, ça devrait.
Yeah, no, you should be fine.
Tu sais, le achat, il est clean.
Ouais, H1's
Ouais,
look
mais
pretty
je
good.
cote 50% s'il flip bullish parce que, fuck man, le M15, M30 qui ont open. Non, un M15, ok, qui a pas de wick.
Faudrait closer en dessous de 500 par exemple.
Ouais.
Ouais, s'il vous plaît.
3 minutes. On fait ça pour Jim. 3 minutes.
4 minutes.
Puis peut-être qu'à 8 heures, le lunch à Guillaume va arriver, on sait pas.
J'espère. Il est fin.
Man, les gars, je peux pas croire, man. Incroyable. Moi aussi, je veux ça. Chérie!
Elle rentre en courant, ils sont habillés.
Ça serait épique, mon gars. Ça serait complètement épique. Man, ça serait tellement décevant d'avoir attendu comme 3 heures pour un runner puis qu'il flippe à break-even. Ça serait tellement décevant, j'étais comme. Sérieux, man.
S'il break le low, moi, si j'étais toi, je closerais une partie.
Oh, ouais.
S'il break le low du 30.
Sûrement.
En même temps, être à break-even pour rentrer à 8 heures, c'est bon en crise. Hein?
Ah ouais. Tu sais, pis mon stop est à profit. Fait que. C'est pas la fin du monde. Let's go, GJ. Let's go. Okay, so what we got here on YouTube? Would you mind? Okay.
GA looking good, Jimmy.
GA is still printing lower highs and lower lows. If this current candle can create a lower low, then I'm closing half position. Oh.
Jeez,
Yeah, that's good.
Nice.
And H4.
Oh,
le
GA.
H, ça serait insane.
So if you hold that trade from that 30-minute entry, you're now at 10 pips. So hopefully you put your stop at break even. Secure some profits if you want so. If you want to wait a little bit, it's good. But yeah, this trade went pretty good. I think H1 was cleaner. H1 was cleaner than 30-minute. If you look at H1, totally makes sense. And like I said before, I liked on H1 when I see this, like a huge wick, small body candle, it's showing me some bearish pressure, right?
J'ai raté ce trade-là.
Boom.
Mais s'il y avait eu juste une petite tweak sur la chandelle, ça aurait été clean.
Oh
C'est
ouais.
ça qui m'a fait hésiter.
Ouais,
Ouais, mais en même temps, c'est news. So, si ça push d'un bord, ça push de l'autre.
Ouais, c'est ça.
Puis comme que ça, je disais, c'est pas genre des batailles. Fait que t'auras pas un genre de stop hunt ou shit like that.
No, c'est ça. Yeah, no, G is good.
C'est un break-even, Jim?
Yep.
Nice. Man, les puppies aujourd'hui, ça y va.
Ça y va. 13
Ça
pips.
court après le frisbee.
It's pretty good.
Il va me revenir dans le front, hein?
Ah ben, tu l'as pris où? C'est où ton entrée?
Juste au break de 500.
Ah, ok. Fait que t'es pas à 10 pips, là. T'es à...
C'est ça qu'on aurait dû faire hier.
Non, j'ai tapé.
Ah, t'étais à
9
10 pips. T'es...
Mais j'ai tapé 9 pips.
Ok. Ah ouais, ton spread.
là.
Ouais. Il manque pas grand chose.
No.
Mais tu sais, si on close en dessous en H1, on va sûrement wick up pour retest de 500,
c'est ça, je
faire un
pense.
ducktail.
C'est ça, je pense, mais ferme-le un peu. Il n'y aura pas de wait, ça va juste. Non, ça va juste go down 40 pips dans ma direction.
That's it.
Et c'est de même ça marche.
It's like GJ now.
C'est
Yeah.
de même ça marche.
Come on.
GJ,
GJ.
je suis genre à 15-16 pips depuis genre 2 heures.
Ouais, moi avec.
Calice.
Well, au moins on a brisé le high là. So at least we broke the high. So now we got a new candle. Oh man, this new candle pumped pretty hard right at the opening.
Ouais, il y a H1 et clean.
So yeah, we should tap this second partial TP. Nice body here on the H1. Nice body candle. Yeah, so let's need to form this bottom wick. And yeah. So H1, if we break this high on H1, we are Gucci.
Gucci gang.
We are Gucci. Oh non, Daniel Savage, sort de sa corde.
Au moins, il dit pas l'affaire est ketchup.
L'affaire est ketchup. Ah, c'est bon, j'ai pas ça, je pense que je vais l'adopter.
L'affaire est ketchup.
Mais pourquoi pas barbecue? Quand tu y penses? Pourquoi être raciste comme ça? Pourquoi pas barbecue?
Ben, ça se dit moins bien. L'affaire est barbecue.
L'affaire est all dress.
L'affaire est ketchup.
L'affaire all dress, c'est vraiment cool. L'affaire est moutarde. Ça, c'est quand ça va pas bien, l'affaire est moutarde. Moi.
Ouais, l'affaire est moutarde.
Ou l'affaire est vieille moutarde.
Moutarde sur le comptoir.
Pass it that. What the hell, GJ? Yeah. Good GJ. Come on, GJ. Reject that low. Don't break it. Don't break that low.
Attends.
Mais tu sais, en même temps, on dirait qu'on consolide, là. Juste
Ouais.
dans ce petit range-là ici, là.
GJ qui veut pas passer les 400, man. Damn!
Gossage.
Mais t'as sûrement tapé 10 pips, là, non?
Même pas.
Wow.
Vous êtes nice, ça.
À cause du spread.
Ouais, il doit pas manquer grand-chose. Tu vas l'avoir là, là.
Ben oui, yo, tu l'as
Ouais,
live.
mais ça break le lot, pis si je l'ai, c'est ça qui est collant.
Ouais.
So, come on. First trade sur GA. Genre deuxième trade.
Nice, nice.
Ça serait bien que ce soit une petite win.
Just gotta follow the plan. Oh, do you get tempted to close manually when so close to your TP? Oh, yes, man, Luke. So many times. I'm working on this actually now.
Tough, man. C'est tough.
So, yes, but you gotta follow the plan. Be sure you don't make emotional error. Yes, exactly. Trading very much about psychology, isn't? Oh, yeah. It's a big part of trading. Big part of trading. But I would say that Magic Key helped me a lot on that.
Yeah.
Because before I was so greedy, I was like, I see my trade going in profits, and oh, let me see how far I can go. Like, oh, a little bit more. Oh, a little bit more. Oh, a little bit more. So now I just place my partial TPs, and when he hit, you know, just like I don't touch it. So, yep.
All right. GJ made his down week.
Yep. So now ready to rock. All right.
It's 8 o'clock.
So trading live again, YouTube live, trade with the pack. Runner still running, about to break that high, and see here this live account, right? Where is it? Live account, Black Bull Market, and let's see if we can hit that second partial TP.
Hey, on est quand même 12 dans le Zoom. Les gens, ils sont là, là.
Yep.
Il y a du monde à l'heure.
Yeah, man. Boom, boom, boom. Chi still pumping? No.
Ouais, un petit peu.
Il va faire un dogtail setup sur le 500.
Ouais, ça serait nice.
Tac, tac. Would be nice. Love isn't always on time. Man, on peut pas avoir genre une belle grosse chandelle comme 15 pipes. Là.
Ouais, ça serait nice.
On a assez accumulé de positions.
Ouais, ça va être correct. Hein. Ta. Man, il y a du volume, hein, ça bouge vite. Hein. Finally, there's volume in this market. Oh,
On a-tu un group training en fin de semaine, Satch?
Yeah, this weekend we're gonna do a simulation.
Alright.
Yeah, this weekend we're gonna do simulation, and we're gonna work that dogtail setup.
C'est de raton de GA, man.
Raton, man, ça c'est beau, j'aime ça.
Il a l'air de
Raton.
vouloir revenir en crise, lui.
Ouais, mais t'as le QP qui est là, fait que ça doit être correct.
On va peut-être
Oh,
prendre un
les
short
gars
sur
arrivent,
GA.
mon gars!
Hein?
Oh yeah! The breakfast coming!
Oh shit, breakfast! Man, on va en prendre.
Yeah.
Tu veux dire qu'il y a à peu près 122 personnes qui veulent la marier présentement.
Oh shit. On est directement sur le QP. Peut-être prendre un petit short sur GA directement sur le QP de même.
Non, ouais, le gars, il y a des hostie de grosse couille.
Ouais, mais je pense
C'est pour ça qu'il amène à déjeuner.
Ah, c'est.
Fais pas ça.
Non, hein.
Pas de confirmation, man.
Ouais, on va
Les
attendre.
gars, j'ai tassé mon PE.
Yeah,
Fuck.
babe.
Je suis un peu cave ou
Ouais,
genre,
non,
ça
t'es-
va retrace direct après?
Moi, je touche jamais mon stop loss, man.
Non, je sais, c'est ça qui arrive, là. Je suis pas clair de moi, mais en même temps,
Mais au pire, Jim fait juste fermer la moitié. Au pire, si tu veux la garder rouler, là.
Ouais, c'est ça. Close la moitié.
Close genre la moitié à ton entrée.
Mais, mets ton partial stop loss. Tu peux mettre partial stop loss avec Magic Key.
Ouais, mon Magic Key.
Il est où, je le sais pas.
Oh, look at this. We're gonna hit it. Oh, man.
Jeez.
It was so close.
Psych. Check bien ça, tu vas avoir genre 10 tries de vidéos dans son site.
I know. I have to delete some videos because it's just like, it's...
Un à 6h, un à 6h40, un à 7h15, un à 8h.
Alright, getting close to finally, after 2 hours waiting, probably gonna finally hit that second partial TP, which is a full TP on my second position, sorry. Yeah, and again, live account here, right? Black Bull live.
Ouais, faut juste que le H1 break le high.
Oh, let's go, baby. Let's go, let's get it.
On veut entendre le son, par exemple.
Yeah.
Ring!
Fouing. Le TP, il fait-tu le même son que le partial? Ouais, hein?
Non, je pense pas.
Let's get it, let's get it.
En tout cas, je peux te dire qu'il fait pas le même son qu'un stop loss.
I actually sent a message to, I don't know if Gabrielle's on YouTube right now, but I sent a message to Gabrielle. Oh.
Sans ton sel, là.
Oh, je reçois mon sel. Alright, so second attempt here, about to hit. Oh, here we go! We got it! Here we go. So again, live account here. So second partials got hit. So now final TP is set up at 151, 651, some around there. So let's see if we can get it. Booyah! Amazing!
Good job, boys, pour le trade.
Amazing, thank you, man.
Fallait être là à 5h, man.
Ouais, ben là, je vais le savoir pour les prochains matins. Hey, 5 heures, Chris.
Ah, le pire, c'est que je me suis levé genre par moi-même de même. J'ai ouvert mon sel, j'ai vu le setup sans avoir rien écrit dessus. J'étais là, man, gonna take that bitch. Whoop. Ouais. Prochain target, c'est le high, mon gars. Un 8h15, je livre pour le bureau, man. C'est fini le niaisage. Vous travaillez-tu tout de la maison, les gars?
Non.
Non?
Ouais.
Ça se prend bien.
Ah, Chris, oui.
T'as plus de temps pour overtrader, c'est parfait.
Ah, c'est drôle ça, je m'en allais dire en plus.
Ouais.
Final TP is set up at 151, 651, some around there. So let's see if we can get it. Now final TP
Bon, on
is
rejette
set up
500
at
sur GA.
151, 651, some around
Okay.
there. So let's see if we can get
Sasha,
it. Yep. Now final TP
I
is
entered
set up
the
at
GA trade when this bearish candle closes bearish, engulfing
Yep.
below the QP.
Yep.
Is there any problem with this?
I don't think
I'm on
so.
demo. I'm not on. I'm on demo.
Yeah, I don't think so. I don't think there's a problem. I think we're getting this week to retest this QP, and we should be good to continue down after.
Did you get out?
Hmm?
Did you get hit? Did you get your PTP hit again?
Yeah, yeah.
Vous êtes hit, les deux?
Ah,
GJ.
wait. Ah, t'étais pas là? Ah, t'étais pas
Non,
là?
mais c'était pas mon café, sorry.
Okay, so hold on. I'm answering a question here for. Hold on. Who was talking? Was it Simon?
Simon.
Okay.
Yeah, Simon.
Okay, perfect. So yeah, Simon. So I'm pretty sure that we're gonna reject this. You know, it took like what 1, 2, 3, 4 candles breaking this QP. So I don't know. I don't. The only thing that kind of bothered me is this was news, right? So I don't know. But it was facts. So I think that we're gonna retest this QP. Once we break this low, we're gonna be good to go. But if you see this thing starting, like what time is it now? Let's take a look at the 15 minutes for a second. So if you see this 15-minute closing back in this range, I would close some partials.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, especially now.
Jesus.
Yeah, it's pushing hard now.
Incroyable. GJ pushing too.
It's maybe a fake out to make support and go higher. Maybe. Ooh, GJ going up. Yeah.
Yeah, baby.
Let's go.
Chien de rue.
Back à sol. Aïe.
Je suis tenté de prendre un impulse.
Come on, GJ.
Oops.
Donc c'est fou comme à 8h du matin, every morning, 8 a.m. every morning, it's the perfect time for an impulse. Il y a tout le temps un pouce, tout le temps.
Yup. Peux-tu bien me dire pour eux qu'on est rentré à 5 heures, asti?
Hey Phil, t'as-tu pris le GA trade, toi?
Non, je l'ai pas pris. J'ai pas encore pris de GA trade, non. Je suis pas encore confiant autant que GJ. Hein. Encore. Mixer, man. So, ça fait un bout, là.
Real OG?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is pretty good here on GJ. So this, now my final TP is set at 650. So 650
I'm at 625.
right here.
Nice. Tu vois, genre, toute l'accumulation qu'on a fait un peu avant le Open,
Ouais.
ça nous a permis de sortir de là plus fort, genre.
That looks pretty good, man. Runners
Rocket
at
fuel.
runners at 22 pips. Pretty good.
Ouais.
Pretty good. Okay, let's see here. Do we have any question here? What do you think EA, so Euro AUD, will break down more or bounce 40 pips? Danny, maybe send your chart and I'm gonna take a look at it for sure. It be on GA. Okay, so BE for me is a win, right? So that's good. Good job. But now this coming back up, closing this 15-minute close above this QP, so now it's in a dangerous situation.
Delicate situation.
I said dangerous.
Dangerous.
Dangerous. Jahid, how many years been trading? Probably 3 years ish total, like back testing, studying, going over courses. Started my live account maybe a year and a half ago, something like that. I did a lot of demo trading before, maybe too much, I don't know. I'm the kind of guy, when I jump into something, before doing it, I want to make sure I get it. So I take more time. Yeah. Yeah, that's why when it's actually good and bad, because when I take time to do it, I invest a lot of time and I want to make sure I'm good at it. And when I get started and I don't get the result I'm supposed to get, not good on my head because I took that much time to be ready and now I'm not getting the success, man. It was rough at first, man. It was really rough. When are shorts coming on, GJ? When are shorts coming on, GJ? I don't know.
Short now.
Shorts.
Yeah, you
Short
should. I mean, if you try to short, I mean,
On a besoin de vendeurs pour aller plus haut.
ouais, c'est ça. But let me ask you a question. I don't want to screw up your name, but Cardihick? I'm not sure. But why the hell, looking at this, why do you want to sell? Why do you want to sell? We are in a bullish trend, right? So, why? So I don't see anywhere we can sell, you know, without a logical and smart entry. Yeah, you can try to counter trend, but counter trend is risky, you know. So, but I don't see any. I don't see. I don't see any. I don't see any place you can sell right now. I mean, of course, if we form here a resistance, at same place we had a resistance here, well, that's a different story. You're gonna form a double top, and now you can maybe see an opportunity for counter trend. But at this moment, there's no way you can sell. Looking to join you soon. All right, awesome, man, awesome. Hey, bro, how is?
GJ push.
Oh, GJ's going to that TP, man.
Ah, ce que je vous ai pas dit, c'est que j'avais mon bail sur GU, par exemple.
Check le gars, man. Ok,
Ça, je l'avais pris.
Jimmy là.
Et avant, je checkais même plus de GU, j'ai vu mon stop, j'ai genre fait spot, en même temps, j'ai vu mon TP sur GU, j'ai fait
Jimmy, là.
C'était très, très, très mauvais de pas avoir respecté mon BE.
Absolument. Ça, c'est numéro 1. Puis numéro 2, essaye pour les prochaines semaines, là, focus sur un trade.
Ouais, exact.
OK?
Ouais, un truc.
Parce que je sais que tu en prends beaucoup. OK?
Ouais.
Fait que là, il faut que tu focuses vraiment sur un. Même chose pour Guillaume. Guillaume, un ou deux max. Tu comprends?
C'est pour ça que vous êtes là, les boys, c'est pour me ramener à la réalité des fois.
Exact. Parce que Guillaume, il est trigger happy, man. Guillaume, son nickname, c'est trigger happy. Ah non, lui, man, t'as-tu un Magic Key, toi?
Non, je t'ai dit.
Ah, c'est vrai, t'as un EA. C'est aussi dangereux. Toi d'avoir un Magic Key ou un EA comme ça, c'est dangereux, man, parce que t'es vraiment trigger happy. Fait qu'il faut vraiment que tu travailles là-dessus, bro.
Ouais, c'est du gros mental.
Alright, so now this runner's running at 28 pips. Looking pretty good, I have to say.
Man, that trade is freaking insane.
Let's go.
Ça s'en va dans le journal.
Oh,
Oh shit.
31 pips, bro. Holy!
I just hit full TP.
Wow, oh wow. Mine's at 650. But I don't know, man. I'm shit. Yeah, I think I placed it a little too high. I think I'm gonna move it to 6. Where is that? Because I'm too scared of rejecting this zone.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna place it right. Yeah, 600, eh? Yeah, 600 makes sense. You know what? Let's.
On finit la journée à BE. Ce qui est pas super drôle, hein.
So it's at 610. Yeah, I'm too scared of rejecting that zone. Yeah, so I kind of move it to 610. Yeah, so let's hit it now. Man, you're un pas payé push, mon gars. Bam!
8h23, man, c'est proche.
Yeah. Yeah, volume's coming in. Should get it. There we go. Second attempt. Second attempt. Let's do it. Oh shit, the engineer's here. Can you tell? Alright guys, so I gotta go. The engineer's here, so thank you for watching YouTube. Thank you very much. I think there was a great session. If you want to rewatch it, you should go on YouTube, rewatch it. So thank you for watching. Yes, je m'en viens. Tu peux aller ouvrir la porte? So thank you for watching, guys. I'm gonna leave this Zoom open if you guys want to still chat together. But YouTube, thank you for watching, and I see you tomorrow night at Forex Talk over beer. Thanks, guys.
Perfect, take care.